PJ Monafi news out over Baba Betwaso, Etimi Ediamanane, Metsan Tramedia Maminu Lutakena, Manon Comono, Erametimiera Masera Cassia Farma Vodafone, Amadaroma, Ye Baba Betrambuj Manetimiera Vodafone, Damu Promo, Otumuzampa, Muya, Neyede, Ejumanan Retin, Pazide here, and it's Roberto credit, Etimere Fuwale, no soto, from 5 Ghana City Edequa. Sikadu dobi adi romno ye bo modena emu 20% asiaba ababa be romo timiera man tuto ya pe credit ne ba pa obo se pa na jeze damu kama pa otoma union no sunya credit no bo se pa na edamu eboa mane makoyie pa etimi ede e ma no ntina no eye Vodafone mo hihye po mo de aba etimi aba be eboa mane makoyie da ma no mo se ne obo modena Vodafone edamu promo nyom no odidi asa etwa ho e de ba be 20 time video no so zeye Twitter Instagram anase po Facebook no na wabomodia hashtag ne kama pa na wa hashtag Vodafone Ghana hashtag Vodafone Ghana more na wasana anu edia ya wahye pretimi e de ma zene Samsung Ghana ebebo ama phone na ye pose eboa na ne ma dadi pretimi ma Vodafone further together na hye na koyi pera ma se ne ukra degree ana diploma na opeso kokoko ramo UK e koko ejuma jiska bibra me patro express group o ma ba etimi e da ma simple form na ma ne omon kasa na ye bebo na so no de so na ba mu etimi e da krade akra tamale na fe sunwane ntinemu amukra degree ni diploma no ope UK akwa ejuma na ma ni sunwane ntinemu amukra degree ni diploma no ope UK akwa ejuma na ma ni 053 191 7650 053 191 7650 ne aboa na ne makoyie pretimi ede ama kama pa na season nya shase enra ere twaja ere tuma e keti razor no your community shield ejepene etimi e course between ene Manchester City and afi Arsenal boboko no edi esan atoamu na otweamo ere abo modern school for na bie on register betway app no on download do there on register na abo modern fa ye adwuma www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh na abo na hihye na koyie kama pa etimi ere amamu komane de ena tena kese jackpot no asia babak na munkomo no the money Dennis 17 selected matches or 1 city 50% in Rome Fred Mawa unya 16.5 million Ghana city the toss million 13 selected matches or 1 city and the Rome Fred Mawa 2.7 billion and Canis Ghana quarter no 50% na the Rome Fa unya 5,000 Ghana city unya bibia jize betway o maso yetime pacho when you do fear do watch ya o qualifies are grown didi ni yondua emfa unkoku shibizanza ade no edim papa na afo ya kwada kra na ofefe asade na ya na ha dwen kakra di nyanto bwase na mpinfo no mundi omagro drinks ni yemienu pe eno na abedwama so ya jera tuma ya bobobo bi adada nyina ma ya hoden bako any mixer 5G ukone kane yo dia na wapeja unsa se ore mame 5 yebema 5 na boama ne makoyi dia ma ne no ha mani ndi about do na ne dia ye entiema woden sonko cafe se ni mi Ghana uma wadwe na da de baba modena enyane no tie ye de ma school for no ene o grapes o ma ye yam niama no eye ho adwuma eboa ema ye so ye gen na so papa ene o green tea o ma ena ne sade ne ma body shape no na jeze makaze madam tugum no ene afudu twedetwe no boys ne nshada empe dipe mixer 5G ni bi na boba ena jensen no eyi ntini mu ema moja ni die fusani ye di mixer 5G ebo adwuma kope bi nanom ebeboa na ne makoyie pa etimi edi ama no so kransa na no amabomode etimi aye ntotoye baako a eno so ano edi omodi mizo fruit drinks no ababa be organic fruits so melon mango apple pineapple emu ede emu so edu te enwumre 190 ma wabre no ombezo bedidi na eku ntema odeje mix of fruit drink ni bi na aboba na beboa ama ne makoyie pretimi era ma na ye na abafie dodo na eba be hwem no eno na ye di jam na aboa ma ne makoyeti na ma ne 0246 270-221 0246-270-221 and at 0558-106348 0558-106348 Muamo Istino Muramo Kweku Oche Company Limited no pimpa na beboa na muamo Kofoidia Eastern Regional GBT Eastern Forum Fana Maro 0243 329 414 0243 329414 na ono mu ni nkomo manager Daniel ewo hwe overseas 21st clinic ko mo patam mo njibi Mama Esther orwani chemo Atcom Royal Ventures Watra Baptist University ebuakwa ujibi na PNC Ventures no Anoman Taxi Station Opsi Charity Hospital Junction no obajibi na Nasachi Enterprise no orwani chemo ewo asafo abinchia Opsi VIP car park no ye boana onso wanya binane ma akoyie kama panso no etimiera manti tatam so no ye ramu ewo amanone na yambobo sebro so etimier fama dia channel so seniema de dana koma de FIFA World Cup no orwani chemo mana fama ya pa ababe ramu ewo de round 16 stage ano edin papa no pe no me no kasa no game ba ko eguso ekoso ano aye den papa a travel beyond the 90 minutes eboama bibia ekoye timi edi ema afanu no eye England man no ene Nigeria na etimi edi abo edi asa no bia Entimianto announce obi entimian so ne yonko atena ama game no ano aye din ebo game no ewre nimu kakra on the 87th minute no and Aneris James inuaba your friend Lauren James ekokonya red card na no edem papa incident na obomodia na Gidia niba your friend Alozi eno kokotia na chi na sero city na chi fra ne to no na chesa ade ne ha dwinti all the referee no obomodia ekokwe va no ntiva no kokwe no already yellow card no de man no ne wo so ye referee na red card neba Bobby Ramne Puama ne madaye pa etimi Manti England ne mano airborne 10 against 11 game no anwaye den papa etimi mo matravwa Romber se 103 minutes update awdo na ebe ram na boa na hihye na daye soro etimi ediama no fiwa game ejepene etimi ram no 10:30 am pepe Austria man no mo ne Denmark so ene di airborne ni na boa man hihye no soro akoye kama so etimi ediama mo ne fiwa ne enko kodi nkomo France Ricardo Vaz baba mo de no ama video we ni na ne se Kylian Mbappe ano para me confirm yetimi adama se Paris Saint-Germain omo edi atuya se Arsenal baby omo jano omo jina ene na PSG team no ebo modern return na training no etimi asha se zanze over the weekend na ebo modern na the French Ligue 1 etimi akoso omo ne Lorraine boboko ne betimi edi abo eni na munkomo no omo si players no omo enhi omo so mbebo adwuma de omo next season no ebe training ano pe na fa wia main team na ba be training to join ya ano pa na Kylian Mbappe ebo modern to anamo akwa ramo PSG omo training center na for ni players na akwa za bobo ya omo team no ehi omo no Leandro Paredes mo ene omo keka no oni omo akwa training na boa amane makoyie pa etimi de amom to join here on Sompa TV on Facebook na wan za Mbappe na ne ka no eye tuntuntuntum ani na mo no ewram na boa ma bibia adaye so etimi de amom na no pa e wo bade bebas no Real Madrid for so call ekoko training na training no and a Florentino Perez na jeze El Presidente epo modem netimi ram to join here ober enjoy kakra orama pe eno miti coach e friend Carlo Ancelotti and hu se nam tese ne birthday boy then is Ceballos obi na Nacho and so on bitine no team no wa po modem aton santana na jeze El Presidente epo modem e chacho momo makwaba after so moko ekoko ram US no omasia baba be ramani na no omo eba be adwuma na weekend ya hwe na La Liga no etimi asha se na poama ntoto no akoye kama panso etimi edi amoma na ayesa no yendidi unkomo metete se Madrid against Arete Bilbao Saturday 7:30 p.m. na that match no to Japan report ne chese Madrid probable lineup no se bibia nansesa prebia mba sere baba be koto obeda post no mo echuore ebebo Dani Cava Militao na afi no yebenya David Alaba and Frank Garcia bejina be kufa so midfield no yewo Eduardo Camavinga Freddy Valverde ni enya Toni Kroos and animu no ya bomo Diabo Vinicius Junior and Jude Bellingham na Rodrigo etiano nye report aba beto jano pedi de ewram na boa amane ma de di soro etimi edi amana Barcelona confirm say for the first time and now the one echemo Montjuic ono beko etimi akwakoye training na training no nkomo ne sere hye no esiatia ne de ewram no yesise na ne ebeye omozo ombebo modia players yes sign omomo no yebe mo trophies awdo na omo etimi atwitwa mfonyi after no traditional picture na season bi omo modi twa no e no betimi ewramo omo so omo yanu mu se ne opemper friend Xavi Hernandez no eye coach edema team no and afa so no orwani echema captain edema team ni sesi eye Sergi Roberto mbeba ababesian central for ne omo etimi edidi di nkomo kakra na no so aboama ne ma de da yesoro etimi era ma club no tie no ye decision na sen komodidi orwani chemo Barcelona maso ababeto dwa no pe no medi ewram kama peda mana Barca so no metete zo mo game against Getafe no penhye omo aye and the Saladema, Esia Konomo, probable lineup no, Yadia, and no bed in Yepa. Nina Zomudi, so many defending champions, and also Muena season, Nashasiano, Niamako Yeperma, to Andre Mark Tastegen, Ebajapene, Araposin, Jus Kunde, Ronaldo, Andreas Christensen, Alex Abadi, and also Nanchano, Ohema, Pedrina Fesono, Frankie Dijon, Ike Gundogan, and Animono, Rafinha, Robert Lewandowski, and Afe Gabi, Tiano, a reporter, Wanichimo Basa, Omoso Masuya Bobedepa, and Opea di Romusoro, Timiara Mana Juventus Asuano, and I metete to say Adrian Rabiot. Per report, Jesse di Prana, when you weekendi, a game of Juve, and Aranta, Edebabueno, Yasineno, Adrian Rabiot, Etimia Mama Mijamo, and Bogem Libi Etimia from Juve, and also a Juve for Bokono Mu Gidepa, Zan Wadeno, Nebetimiaba. Now, on my first game of money, Donese Cashew, Babano, Rabiot, Babana, Wababi Jamra, Bama Bibia, Akoye, Kama Soro, Etimi Ediamo, Muntiano Soro, and Koma Baba Tojana, Mame Karim Benzema. Now, you have Benzema, Kakra, Nemeza Benzema, Ramos, Saudi Nidia, Dan de, you know, Baba Modena, Boquina to Ezanze Mecca, or Bomodia, the great Moxono, Utimiako, or Coco Empire and Ra, who else and Yamasia Qua. Now, just Obomodia, Timia to Tune, said about a season of. E chance here e Saudia obejana na so na wetimi aboadwuma panabwa ama bibia akoye pa etimi arama IT abobokoro tu join here na jese ohwe wontintan fidie no so a won se Karim Benzema ene namachi wa na jese obomodin akwa mpre na aboa na ntoto no soro etimi akoye kama pa etimi arama na munkomo no ye di eramu soro etimi arama na na UEFA Champions League no ye bomodin season 2023-2024 ye etimi di playoff round no draw no etimi aba nyaba betoja 11 o'clock en prepare orwani chemonia e bebo de etimi ashasia update awrona ye brena ewramu na boama tutua no soro etimi akoye kama panso etimi ediamo edon komono ewramu etimi rama ban na conference ne 3 p.m. prepare orwani chemo Germany importamo enyo mu home na mum no omo e host team from AS Monaco e ayokofa kensi omo soro e boy of the season no omo etimi ra prepare na boama bibia akoye kama soro etimi rama ban bobo korutia no e dia baba betoja ni nyina mo ye di ewramu soro etimi rama na Manchester United aso ye Ramo England omo conference nyambo ochna e no mo third kids no ye jepene na ye timi apant man omo ze no we ma pay friend Roy Keane e bo mo de feature enti no o join here na Roy Keane na aba no omo si video omo de beba bonte se ne no omo e bo mo de etimi ra pa djuma de no ntuma no obo ze Roy Keane edima ni nyina mo no obo mo de na wetimi abo adjuma na abo ma hyehyɛ no akoye kama pa so etimi ra Manchester United na Manchester United amaso ya wa no ene awuze ne de bibia de de ama Rafa Varane abo mo de a woro ni chemo ne Twitter page wa waba aba be hyense mu an komo no ano edin papa na ni na mo no o se last week mo baby ene free pay for no to sa etimi ere from na ni na no eye referees no no mo mraf mra o mo de aba be gbaze no ena no mo koko didi ho komo no so mo managers no ene referees no anase po mo players ejam bu adwuma no e ka the champion for so o mo nya bibi esanse in a season no yo mo games na no mo bono eye ade a edoso ye papa na no etimi enye susan so o player no so ba aba be gina mabobo na bo ni ye na ne ma koye ne ade a fa baby ne ya na ha adwen kakra de breba esa di praba ndeba be no so o mo kan ye no o mo ka cho mo so mre na o mo abomo de etimi a bibi etimi ra fa huntie no ye command no wa ba bonteri aba nyaba betudwa ye di eromo so no etimi ra ma na one player wa ye hit pa o fa baby a ye kan wa se ne Moises Caicedo ene Brighton Nova Biono Musiwa ye friend Paul Baba edidi din komo etimi ra fa Moises Caicedo ho na pimpa no ye bisa no ze ne baby a ne ma na keke de kono e like is Moises Caicedo e be film of Brighton na obeto akoso abo adwuma etimi ra mo komo se na pimpa ye friend Paul Baba bomo de dijai
for that reason. So again, with a Premier League season starting in a week from now, it makes no sense to risk him today.
I mean, obviously there's been significant interest in Caicedo from another Premier League club. Will this affect that development?
No, not at all. As far as we're concerned, you know, we're looking forward to Moises starting the season with us. He's a Brighton player. He's under a long contract. He's probably one of the most exciting midfield players in the world, and we're delighted to have him.
Antiano ya command e prepare your friend Paul Baba bomo de aba betu ya jeso yo mo play mo eren mu season no e chance no menya no aba be jama bojuma etimi e de ama club no ti o mo hihye mu no oni bebia e ko Tottenham Hotspur o mo coach your friend Ang Postecoglou o prepare no so din come on Eric no that report be by ze ne Bayern for no jeso mama Tottenham for the line na ko fo we pa mo ho asu obi na e woni player e no no na na dwen se on turn na so wa man deadline now prepare no didn't commit a fan saying what about the 70 meter to you.
If the stat, we know there's one deadline, that's the end of the transfer window. Beyond that,
Sompa Sports.
I think, look, I'm in open dialogue with Harry and the club on a regular basis. I've said to them, if the status quo changes, then inform me. I don't need to know about the sort of, comings and goings in between, because I just want to deal with what's in front of me, because I'm still, irrespective of the outcome of that, I'm still building a team here.
Until no young commando one HMA pay per friend and poste cogro or no your coach German Tottenham Hosperiaba Ababa to Gaweni to Janra or Romoche Satka Doniet Ebro Mekanoma Kunuma or Mo Etimubakus on the foot of Peno Hurricane Bromo Day 8 me Enya 4 goals the Yamon Airport to Tereko Yepa Etimerman coach no did non come se Brian and Semno Mo Canada or Tizero Gubino for now or concentrating on ability Mebwa Amanema Daddy in Sierra on Liverpool Ejina Kono Omane SV Darmstadt and a debebo ni ayon kofa kesia e Japan team ato yaro of the game no and a Trent Alexander-Arnold do so no and a deputy captain edema na Liverpool bo ko no didi din komo o se this season o mo target ne se o mbabo mo de no mo etimi ajejeje trophies out na de hi o mo pa no ene so mo beji EPL no o se o wogide pa se this season no o mo Champions League o mo era mo Europa no e no beboa ama mo concentrate na fe league no o mo etimi abo abori na po ama bibia akoye pre timi era mana no a yere to ani so ro ni chemo Saudi Arabia Omugusu adwumade no ekoso eboama na mada yepa etimi era no ye the Arab Club Championship no na eno na no Al Nassr omu game omo ne Raja Casablanca kokobo ani time omo bass ne babedu ya pe na Sadio Mane si yoko nyakwa ko Ramo dressing room no na kwa bi sha ase na omo ne fan Sadio no we are no the cancel so no say it.
In Liverpool.
Until no your fan back on some will be say where Salah no bomade a candy channel sampa Salah will Liverpool no poama nema da yepa etimi area momo kama mun komoro ye di era mo soro etimi era mananya ntia former Wigan Crystal Palace omo player your friend James McArthur no pay na report e ba HSE wa confirm is e bema ba e baba baby wa mama eni na baby edu no emi se fie no ko eni mu kakrati football no wetimi e dia apema no your reporter e bo ba ano edin ye papa yedi Ramos soro etimiera mana Jose Pep Guardiola sala na nkofo ekika ka se Holland ball no ball ne nra ne de o man sheda hu ni yese we no de ba ababe ram this season anya de se no ebe of Burnley game no open Paris yo Holland de obetimi ababe ejuma no cra simple
what a lot is a winner, is a good mentality and minutes and rhythm and that is what he needs. He's so tall, so big, can move this body. It's completely different than Bernardo, for example, or Phil, or the other players. So that's why today he played 60-65 minutes, and I'm pretty sure that Barley will be in better condition.
Until no ya come up on the timera to ya jazampa. Yamba fan do Burnley game no so EPL no empomode en chance no na chese Holland akwano abomode no jana na so eboa bibia ekoye kama panso timera ma juju ayenko dwama so yamba bobo so ndidi nkomansa na transfer for no ababa be so timera ma no pay a oro ani chema former Valentia Uruguay under 20 center back your friend Facundo Gonzalez ababe Ramo enso otuina na ori Juve forever ababe America so pasia obi sign contract timera moment to join here time obaba be do yeri ni obomode erama no sign autographs awrona timera ma supporters so no back here under 20 no ejuma akra we baba boy no and apoma hihye na koyi so no etimi ediama ne kama onkomo no e di erama timera ma na Romelu Lukaku and ametete se ne erama chena no Juve for no be say obomode na nkomodidie no etimi erama na boa ama ne ma koyi pa timera ma na according to reporter e free Spain manager say Real Madrid boboko no e ya de teche emeze sansebue no any report we there baby efipa na efia ababa be ramuntie no Lukaku nkomo no the ababa be ram e di etuga so no etimiera mana menyanete se Sofiane Amrabat se the link no to Manchester United no omonsi Juve force omuhia brante no enti omonso any Fiorentina boboko no ashase edidi di nkomo ze ne kwanda ho a yenjana Sofiane Amrabat embra emama Johnny omoni ombo ejuma na mboa ema bibia nkoyi so etimia fam yesi Chelsea ebaba modena the final bid no Ramo Brighton and Over Biano Masway on Moises Caicedo Niasi Wino take it or leave it and no Yashia Nido or Monso Bomode the Erona Boman Shishero Soro Akoye Kama Pa Timi Ediama Munkomoro the Eramusoro Timiarama Nottingham Forest or Masuano Benyamin Tias and Shishiano at the year in Omani Arsenal Etimi Akobin Kroma goalkeeper friend Montana Kwakwaku Ramna Wabujuma Timiarama Nottingham Forest Namuchemuno Ejeze Net no Babomode Timia Yen Medicano or Pasepe now a bomb the 8 years signing a contract no now Boma Bibia Koyepa Timia Mamonyon yes after Martena no or Ebe Ramo Manchester United or Masway ye Predin Anderson so no soro Mame Romna or Mame Bujuma and Fama Nottingham Forest Bobokoro Etiano and Komaba Ababe Manchester United Asuano Facundo Peristri report Necheze yes Enche or Babo Modena wait me estende or estende Omerena Yamano Quina season 2023-2024 no Wakwa Kobolo no Pino and Comer Free Holland Ebano just team former FC20 Monso Ediaba Ababa Betunso Musa Eka Peristri Sombra Mame Johnny or Maba Boman Shishero Akoye Pre Timiera Momana West Ham United yeah is on for 4 pound Manchester United almost on Maka Eracha Manchester United Semrantia Miensa we know Omuhi Omuntia United for no and £100 million na sena community yawo Scott McTominay Antonio Masana Fino Jacob Paris Maguire Omune players and West Ham United for no Esiomo Pomo Sombra Mame Jamumbu Jumane Mwamane Manda Yepa Timia Famana agent Edema Mohamed Salah Premper friend Remy Abbas and Anoko Eko Kwen Tenando Waba Ababa Beche Zomunyenya offers Audona Nande no Tima Yefromo Aitiado Mona Nelidi from Saudi Arabia Nan Komope se Mohamed Salah Nemame Johnny Omo no so Mujiri se Dientina Salah and Pomodian Anwa de contract no o Timia Stanley and Nina se o Peso Tran Liverpool no Bujuma e Timia Moment to Pimpano e Jeze Mohamed Salah de zo make move no e ya de ono e erefima Nina Mono Tran wa Boma Nema ko yusoro e Timia club from Liverpool Guswa o money from Nancy's Bobo Koni didi komo on Ondri na Ondri komo no ene yase ne contract on se 77 nema e siatia no Liverpool for ne penonamo no omo emfa special bid bia en konko ram se ne Liverpool nya de ma from Nancy so omonje na boy ne bra nema mejamo etimi ambo ejuma etimi afamo montia no so no e kakra baba be Romano peno meri etudwa etimi ramana PSG ene yase Gonzalo Ramos deal no e nra na jo no mobo mo de awie na senete omo so obedi kin aba nya ba be bolo ni na se FPP on se semiti no omo twia sika no animanimu ya e ade be ha dwen na after loan no na next season omo bomode netimi ama Benfica bobokoro 65 million euros after no omo bomode add-ons no so no e be 15 million euros e be kan wona boma hihye no akoyi so etimi ramo after Gonzalo Ramos no omo Ramo e went transfer for aso an komana chance omo e Randal Colomwani so no so nema me Johnny omo ni omo so no entibi ebo ejuma entia no ye nkomaro wani soro echiem ebobo edeba no edie papa ro pino ye de eramu soro entimi era ma Barcelona o maso no mo so mo consider Sergino Dest ebia o mbesa hwe na o mama na akobolo ne zanzo tra club ni ma ne chance se ne obenya bi etimi abone yade a e wo form ye papa na se ya ofele so no akere acheni agent a ye friend o Mendes se ne obe make move bia o mo ntwen kakra ni nyina so gidi se Barca fo no e ye den o mbeba so mo peno na o no pesoko ekokoto aso etimi abu adwuma mane ma dadi soro etimi ara mana Ansumani Fati per report eboba chese Ansu Fati se summer transfer window no enclose ya o Barcelona ni a na wenya ntobase kakra zanze PSG for no ene na mase omu ne se kwan down pambere so omusa ebeka Ansu Fati sombra emame Johnny omoni omosoro etimi abu adwuma asa now esim lance oma twen former striker de Liverpool Divock Origi nya de se offer bia ababa be Roma team bi epen sombra emame jamu bojuma etimi afama manano me kede chose Milan for no esi Divock Origi on come plans no omugiri se this season no emranti omodi omobojuma no so tena enya de so no nyebenya kwan abojuma etimi arama club no na afi nura so no ena yanso maba eba be ram ewo Milan na no pay a obo mode no ram na medical no wakwa koyo no so pass a obo mode sign contract no until 2026 etimi arama inte boboko no na boama hihye na koyepa etimi arama motisa prepare na komo no esi etie na ho ye kwa de Mbappe dia kan bia ebeje pene na no soro etimi ato aso kama pe dia mamo.
code or your Vodafone cash wallet, or you don't use credit transfer to your number or someone else. And now you be high tech, so you don't use my Vodafone app or any payment app. However you do, Vodafone go send you up to 20% cash back into your Vodafone cash account. We'll reload the app, but then you enter. Top up your airtime with 5 Ghana Cedi or more in Vodafone's double promotion and receive 20% of your money back straight into your Vodafone cash wallet. Recharge and cash out in the Vodafone double promotion.
Vodafone, further together.
Play now Landio, Ghana's #1 casino game. Aviator Al Landio Betway Airport. Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
The first days of Beat the Odds has concluded. Now that you're settled into the new season, you still have the chance to win. Beat the Odds this season and you can walk away with a grand prize of 250,000 cedis in cash. Plus amazing weekly free bet prizes. Enter today. Visit betway.com.gh for more information. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply. Betway, for the love of the game.
Studying abroad can be tough. Top-tier Study Abroad Consult has made it easier for you with a team of 18 years studying and traveling abroad experience. We assist students in pursuing bachelor's, master's, postgraduate, and doctorate programs in US, Canada, UK, Australia, and among others. We provide SAT, IELTS, and TOEFL classes to aid you excel. We can help you get partial or full scholarship to study in the United States and Canada. Locate us at Kumasi Amakum, adjacent Bank of Africa. Call or text us on 0260411 or send us a WhatsApp message +1 646 659 5045. Accra office, Medina Rolling Circle, CC Hagan Plaza Building, opposite Medina Polyclinic. Call us on 020-3592-008. Takrady office, adjacent NK City Fire Service, Efia Quanta Road, near Fijai School Park. Call us on 059-800-7852. Top tier, just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Royal Foam, promotion Royal Foam. Yes, it's in your muscle. You bet your bill free. Get 10% discount.
Oh la la! Ghana for Muntie, where the Atage Yatidene, Royal Foam Ghana Limited, the saving catcher Ghana for. Sir, and they will be at to Nemono, Royal Foam Ghana for at a 10% discount. Whom Afriso, Nempono, mattress be a better every Royal Foam Ghana Limited Hono. Yamau pillow free. This is your time. Wonso Umreni, and was several Royal Foam mattress, and that's all. No, we Yamontoso. For Royal Foam Ghana, I was 020-227-1000. Enjoy Royal Foam Ghana Limited for a mattress. Number 1 inch.
Royal Foam,
Kikadi, Royal Foam for Atitibeni J. Sokra.
Royal Foam Ghana Limited, what the Jipata.
Royal Foam still leading.
All right, Yanyan called na Mikiaba. Na on February Romani, resident in Messi, Konamo Kikwan on birthday special, happy birthday in Kwan Farmer Fidaus Abubakar. A student Orwanichimo Tech School of Journalism and Communication study son of Warbridge. So Fidaus, happy birthday in Kwan Farmer Yamisha Papa, Ebiso and Kwan Farmer Groya son ni and that Zogoya ni Aqua Dano. Nyamisha Papa rest for all Sompa TV so or goso Tirese and Romo Kama Pen Farmer Amegro na Nyami Insha. You the other ones no Nana Kofi Anoche Frimpon Manson Nana Kofi Anoche Frimpon Manson na jeze ni wa papa Mr. Frimpon na research office MPP Orwaniche mo aguna hona o papa wa no so no bojuma so baba esi Nyamisha Papa Nana Kofi na ne de opibia no emra mu na nyibe penyimpa Nketia Ebenezer Adona Afro Goli or Domain Crow Waunia Mustafa Dibala Sien Roman Fama Goli na Yodan Yamisha Papa na Omwa na de opibia so na mra mu entimi enfama the other ones no quick na yakwe nim sa na ma didadin Ofoyi Kwesi Francis it is your no oda na o techiman edina ayoda na nyame hia pa Francis na de opibia so no emra mu kama so entimi emfa emao na ma didadin enfama na Priscilla so eni eneda na orwani chemo Amsterdam hona Priscilla Ukusku ti Dr. Abedi Kwara so eke police ni na drono so special one room intime fama prisi na nyame hia papa na bi nkwen fama Richard Opoku Yeboa ene so ye Richard nso no ne da so Richard Opoku Yeboa happy birthday and confirm open gezie na face so no Chumwa route orwani echema na jeze nese midway free training college no ewo teshi hona ni route so no ewo ne ye ne da so DJ OJ SNko nentime fama route na nyame hia papa na bi so nkwen fama Benzema ewo agona soccer bet enra na eyoda so belated in romu kama pen fama open gezie na nyame enhia papa na bibibia nko ye fama na Emmanuel Akuokun ege obubulebu former captain edema Eduana Stars Emmanuel Akuokun miame chairman so obubulebu happy birthday kwa fama chairman na metonka na ache kakra na nyame hia papa emze Ghanaian football no ko fo ba ko mo so bobo ni ye pa no ba ko eni Emmanuel Akuokun this with Arsenal na Eduana nyaade keto akra so ben gezie nyame enhia papa na de opibia emra mu kama fama di karo minim ze adena ye ya na foforo okay say Ahmed yeze Madrid ne kotoko say fin di agokra ne ye say na oda so say Ahmed happy birthday Roman fama na this season Madrid de be mo ani age say ye gigin cover players ne asande abe shebi mo na aboa na ne ma ko yi pa di Ricardo Zajumanati mame ko na me ne lawyer Michael Saribodu to azoben na bibia aboko de
abonya me ado bibia kama wo so e
menzo me wo ye pa
se bibia de dem
oh niema de dem
okay
be chaba kasa kakra o
Jose
coaches mu nyina
yeah why exclusive with Correo dello Sport
okay
exclusive interview okasafa nyoma hodo bebre ho eno no matro wo shroa okasafa Roma ho eno matro la Roma okasafa transfer market eno matro El Mercato Okasafa Nkunimdia Roma to Minya in the first time Obaye that was winning the Conference League and the success so far. And Okasafa referees on Glee Arbitry and then also Okasafa a club not bread here, but I was all brands and watching there. So he spoke on all these issues in that exclusive interview on a Correo dello Sport, the sports courier in Italy. In the Otis Moyuna Kasafa Anthony Taylor incident in one. Out of this interview, exclusive one or the moment, Anna, a home and Susan Swanaba. And T. Omatunidin say in la mia secunda vita. Now, the second life of Ono Jose Mourinho. The first life, no, you find say, well, during the heydays, time and not all dominated, all winning, no. And the second life, you know, and the spell or the Roma FM1, or no, say, Nije Kakra, woman to share her. Or matron say, Noa in retardo, Manesuna Guerra. Trame e Thiago Pinto, my pentito di ave dito si I frighten. They say, Doche one say, a woman so market trade as regards the transfer market. But in Tokwabio Nione Thiago Pinto in team, Thiago Pinto ne much more the sporting director for Roma. Omuntem ego in Tenya dia say Omun Kuntokwa, irrespective of the fact that Oma Keche Kakra. And then or say, okay, yes to fight in the only AS Roma. It is a good decision to take here. Osanso ba betremwa ho transformato tanti bambini. Italy nika bambino e akwada ba ko bambini e ankwada bebre. Enti ho transformato tanti bambini in Giocatori. Na se ono aboa transforme ankwada bebre. Osanso kasafa Paulo Dybala ho a o chire me dia chire se Dybala no people should watch out for him because this season Nyoma befa with Paulo Dybala. Then also and free first August adi koyano oda. Enya dia or transfer troubles biya. And that is what Mourinho nense mo kabat. Be na me pesi e focus on wahano. Lukaku's aspect. Into share asia ha. Or match say Lukaku Juve sprint in 48 ore. Na is a Lukaku Juve. A bit through me kana a bit fast pacey in the next 48 hours. The beer to me see. Which is ending your channel. No matter what I say, traoghi domani l'appuntamento decisivo con il Chelsea. There's between today and tomorrow, there will be a crucial appointment, which is a meeting between Chelsea and Juve. Ombe taking that decisive decision on Romelu Lukaku. Ora Allegri usa la forza. There's Massimo Allegri on a Juve omo boss no. Ono na pushy for this particular dealer. Ohiase Romelu Lukaku and so Baba join it. Now Juve were two plans. The first plan is Chelsea in Comono. They will still want to push the Dusan Vlahovic agenda. If they are, then they will take Lukaku. Chelsea bet you 30-35 million euros. Now, Juve for no money. The second plan is Juve for Bompire. Say Harry Kane to buy and fail.
Omo Bombay
and fail. Say failure. Bayern have on their list Dusan Vlahovic as alternatives. So it means Bayern will push for Dusan Vlahovic. They will pay money and then almost bet me a push Lukaku deal. No? So they are hoping send your mabe fat this week they are more, but omo there per Corriere dello Sport no in the next 48 hours and then watch now something concrete will come out of the Lukaku pursuit. Near Hussein and Yoma and Suezi Echo or more ton Denis Zakaria and so the Nako Monaco. It could give them money to still pursue Lukaku. So and then yet Juve for no almost him some betting aye. La Gazzetta dello Sport and so they are all the same Juventus bet. Perche Allegri Riccia. Now Allegri is risking it all. Risking it again. Juve to per max. Now Juve is leaning more towards the options and answer the choice of Massimo Allegri. Allegri wants Lukaku.
Yes.
And he's risking it all for Romelu Lukaku. And Tomacho has il club tratta Lukaku per fa felice il tecnico però vuole partire forte altrimenti può saltare. So the Oche Wahani is simple. The technical team, no, headed by Allegri, the option has always been Romelu Lukaku or Pabantenese Ombra. Into Machoa, Giallo Romelu. Giallo ni yellow. Enti yellow Romelu. Enti the Lukaku pursuit has also been captured here. According to La Gazzetta dello Sport, Omuhi Abantenese Kianeke, Ewasoba, no Utmus and Nyoman Suesiako. Napoli assigning Nathan from a Red Bull, a Bragantino, Brazil, no, sorry. And also Mark Kapchawa, he's a replacement for Kim Min-jae. And then Mark Kapchawa said, El Calcio di Estate, Derby Intervanti. Next, Omoka, the Derby de la Madonnina, the Milan Derby now, Inter assistance now, ahead of AC Milan pair, almost Omo estimation. Oko Tito Sport, and what two Juventus, Ewo Turin, and Tuemo, a Corona Juventus was no. A while almost what was Lukaku assist Bayern. Now pronto la fondo Juve per il Belgia grazie ai tedeschi. Then Omatro tu dopo il no per can torno su DV9. DV9 no e Dusan Vlahovic. Ono so ne initials no DV9. Now say Tuchel nim say Harry Kane they be na every Tottenham Haba because they presented their final offer. Saturday the Michel Muchel said the final offer was not a year adi or say they need an answer and many years, so no ultimatum was set, but they've presented their final offer more trying a response from Tottenham. They will wait for a considerable period. Say Bayern anti anything positive, and as a Tottenham cracker almost said Debia Tuchel will move to Dusan Vlahovic and to more GDA say Vlahovic now Bayern for beba so more panel. It will push the Lukaku agenda. And then has a matro Zan Ora Kelka Il Sodi per Balogun Milan. Nese Inter Milan omo one offense Steven Zan and they on amo pesca or boabuano sene beya obetimi tia brantie Folarin Balogun si akainema Arsenal. Now wetimi abanya nyoma so akoso. As a matro pepere Pep Ricky Wembley and Rivincita Arsenal. Nese Moko Ako Pep Guardiola ni after losing the Community Shield to Arsenal via penalty shootout. L'Equipe, Ewa France. Also on the front page, and the Yomo reporting here, Le Real Madrid attend un signe de Mbappe. Now, Real Madrid are hoping to see some signals concerning Kylian Mbappe. Remember betray the actual. Then Omatrawa, La Vie Lorientaise de Benjamin Mendy. The life of Benjamin Mendy at FC Lorient, the new club now. What joining now? Now there's Mbappe thing. Madrid were two options. Way. The first option is Mbappe now needs to come out publicly, say he wants to leave Paris Saint-Germain because of situation in Kosovo. Now Perez believes say if Mbappe makes this public declaration now, but if they enter now, it looks like a PSG they invite you, so it gives some kind of room for PSG to manipulate the negotiations. But Mbappe now about Babeka club need treat me and to me person me free mudia, then they are ready to accept that, and then Omobema ayen komotriano etimiako smooth. Then the second one also you say Madrid will wait until after August 15th. Nakabe 2 weeks near closing market, then they will enter the negotiations. Until August 15th, no qua. Emreni ho, into PSG and play hardball, baby, because PSG no ASA or to trim or man common more gidigidia. Madrid will relax. PSG no nan ho training because Mbappe gets to stay at the club. He does not play, they will still pay him money and they will lose him for free in the summer. That is next year. Until Madrid are playing a waiting game and a smart game, and it's being engineered by Omopenyi Florentino Perez. Say Mbappe mbra out in Canada. It has been communicated to Faisal Lamari, Mbappe mami. Say this is the decision, and I said the stepper Madrid pesa boy knows where take it. Not omo pursue. And then once again, Marca in Spain, I capture say no high pardon. Now say no forgiveness. And ya dia fache bi abe free. PSG ho edi akọ Mbappe ho. So as a stance, PSG stance ne say Mbappe and training with the first team no, it remains. Omako Paris back after Omoko across Asia. Omo back in France. Omo training. Mbappe will still not train with the PSG first team. Okay, the rejected ne ho oni omo be training. Nti omatwa Mbappe in Luis Enrique kada uno posulado. Mbappe, Luis Enrique, side by side. Anko Munya ya, anka coaching in the play or more year, Juma, but baby because PSG near Madrid, so more the better no. Mbappe Comonana, tennis abofra, on one day, or Jada won't build the scene in Aso, which is Alcaraz. Alcaraz say, todo Madridista quiere ver a Mbappe and El Madrid. Now say, Obio Madrid fan biano, only from Madridistas no. Obi a Madrid fan biano when you bet just Mbappe or Bo Ediama club no. So he's also spoke in relation to that story or Markamua Obetimi Akenkai. Mundo Deportivo focus on Arteta breaky Pep. Then this one they who is up so winning 6 trophies in a year at the Manchester City. To Atrawa Arteta evita el sextet de Pep. There's Arteta prevents Pep from recording the sextet, which is winning 6 trophies. Ahano matro Puso na Bernardo Silva dam fin. Pep and a woman nifa. Jabi e woman benkum. Now there's a presentation here. El Barça presento una primera oferta por Bernardo Silva que el Manchester City rechazo. What is it saying? The Okan say Barça have made their first primary offer for Bernardo Silva. They said the Saturday mekai. Now obo presente offer no. Manchester City amadi anche sokra ado bobo tugu ye entenya de ebemo eba se El Luso apreto para sale Luso ne ye obi o kan Portugal kasa, so it's much more like a slang for a Portuguese. Enti the Portuguese any the all person or no, there is time against Barcelona any omo push for the player because it favors Manchester City in the entire process, and then has been captured here. And then Dembele also returning to training, no? And also remember the 2 stories, Dembele and then also Abranche Fesa Bernardo Silva. Sport, a Catalan newspaper, almost a report, no? Ansu intransferable, no escucha ofertas. There's a no offer, and the best Sabasa stance, no? They believe that Ansu Fati is not for sale. Once again, blockio total. There's a total of 4 blocking. Dembele back training with FC Barcelona. Now let me explain the 2 scenarios. Matteo Alemany is the reason Dembele aba back on the Barca training. Okay.
Now Bishop Umbra.
Now the story is that Alemany and the Barca, they want more money from PSG. 50 million the PSG bet here, but send you see no. Barca think it's not favorable to them, and they have until August 21 to make sure this deal per the clause no be intact. Until the Barca have time, PSG need time. PSG need time because they need the player to return and then train with them and then prepare for the season. Barca have time because they can just allow the player to delay until 21st August. No matter say if they can make more money from the process, now Bama can kind of more. So as it stands now, there is an impasse between Dembele, Barca, and then PSG concerning how on 50 million. To Bernardo Silva, the offer was presented. Nay alone with a mandatory obligation say on better player no. Se kabe no mutu 70 million euros. I know crano non person modern Joao Cancelo account. Man City rejected it. Man City don't want to sell. Pep Guardiola understands that a boy in a person kwa pen a gentleman's agreement obema boy nako ba wa pebiano bra na mundi nkomo. So that is where the situation is now. BNC nothing has happened. Joao Felix also train or say o man na watch back. I was say Barca for aneke come ho. Jabi it has been communicated to him say Felix project no a club project on your pair still on person motor boy So Barca would step up in case the Bernardo Silva deal fails. Then advantage of Felix and so baby expect a new bid from Chelsea to Brighton for Moises Caicedo.
Mate, Medansipa ne Michael Diadebe Royal Form Ghana Limited maka ze the Royal Form mattress ni ombo modern jodi awakechi ni nyina na se ejuma omo bone mattress no daswa edepa enya fira machi emi amekonye me bia tieze was the Ghana ni bia no and o ma din koma abo modern hihye ni se hihye o ma ye no and is ne omo product no de obeto bia one so womre ni promo no ebo modern 10% discount eromu kama pay timi the mountain there mo amoton mattresses no per mattress papa password a Royal Form mattress o mana marofa yebebo ara so no wanya bi bibia on sa airport modern night me aka 0202 27 1000 0202 27 1000 Royal Form rest assured na aboana ne ma de ye pa etimi edi ama na maka ze Vodafone e damu promo on fa unshima fa unshimi ne mboa na dwumadie no ne ma nko kama printimi e fama no a and it's order star 110 hash star 110 hash auto credit no from wallet 5 Ghana cedi edekwa emu 20% pa na jese damu ebo ama ne ma de ye so etimi era mamu nkomo de dia wozo obo na isu witobi mu adamfo so abonze onya ye pe pa na 20% no ensu damu ye se edamu promo nyom no di asa titan video no so na hashtag Vodafone Ghana abonze ne Samsung Ghana wa chere bibre etimi era ma erom kama pede ama Vodafone further together na hihye no etimi adeda din na aboa nanema etimi akoye kama pa so no etimi era ma na bishop enye we no ma me apostle nto aso na ye momo de ne gwa abozo akwa ba na bibia hye
oh adom bibia hye na mum anago yengo
Nigeria for no Africa de bezo be kra no mo ma first service na panyi bia from aka cho muzo bo na mu ni nglan fa bo no ma ya de ntimu fi ma enyewe ane anya de ya
oh ye ba we de enye sarete
abozo ye ni kroma na Senegal 2002 abba wa she France a she Sweden
mo da ho
take it easy Senegal fi abo be no mo san bose mo ma ya de ai ze Ghana ko tozu bi nu afkwa ye ba na ye checkers mo muska
choki
adibu amo muzo manya hwe ade ahoro o akoya zo betibe bo a on England aboyi na penalty mu boguza.
It's just sad that you check for sad say, but the point is Abu NTS said these are European champions.
Yes.
Even Nigeria and African champions. So yes, yeah. Nigeria plays third award the tournament. So you don't blame them that much because at the end of the day, what are you looking at? European champions bar against a bronze medal. Yes, almost dominating African competition. So you expect that at least Nigeria, almost backrock as Nigeria bano, almost issues with Sikasemni, almost NFF issues be training time, so they have their own issues. And the technical quality of the English players was super. Senior Chelsea no Obo Barcelona, Karawash captain Lucy Bronze at Barcelona, Catiles and Manchester United. They are top players playing at the top flight of Europe. So yes, for me, I think that Nigeria had opportunities. First half, near Ashley Prontre, near left back Brunino. Only Nientia Brunino, then near Brivo Machimo. Or England under 15 to under 23.
Oh, okay.
Good. The playmate Clokelly. Alessio Russo.
Oh, okay.
And Niose penalty no Georgia Stanway. Nienti I decided say Obabe Boma Nigeria and his sister Balish. Na okosku anomo o adri ono o tuntum cha ono. Aha, na we fa ne mamekala. O ye tuntum adri sa racism no. And ma say so find the papa baby ani papa free. Until last year, and all the size of a switch nationality above Nigeria. Until no going to this game, and near Bristol punishing for once or cross back.
Yes.
And our ball shot back, goalkeeper Mary Epps here. Yes, and I'm making sure that on my Alessio Russo film because a hot dear one man one train back cry. So they say, but on the whole, let me say Nigeria, they've done well. On my idea, England has shown a little experience, and they were fully fortunate. Look, share a chance, second of one by a cry, no, share. Ajibade chance onyaye edima Kano chema or boy hit crossbar twice. Those are things because they are fortunate. Our football more. Once again they had opportunity. Or no Ajibade nya chance. But Millie Bright a block here. Kano nya chance. Uchema nya chance. Once again you have Jessica Carter a block here. So yet almost yet too clinical with him. Fullbacks also Michelle Alozie any Baba you are Plumtree almost cross and shit and commerce show ala Albesa was a shot to answer here. Yeah, former or no moon shas no besano. But you expect a cross number because it's no wa or very strong. But unfortunately cross number and England for so they struggle to create chance. Lauren James for instance.
And the red card now apostle.
Just NBA anymore will be off the ball incident. We referee crowd wa whistle at the amount call baby. No, I said that you know didn't never tell Michelle Lozier Tian and so Tianachi for red card. Sometimes footballers don't tell us but near come dream mama Sunday medicine. We are down to your it's sad that Nigeria has exited. But they've really displayed high level of determination and courage. Oh my idea. They've done well. But you can't say anything about it. They've done very well. These are the European champions. They've lived out to expectation. Nigeria have done their best. But once again, Africa, here, we flop our lines, and then we also not able to make sure make the opportunity count. But England team when come back to quarterfinals. It will be clinical in front of them. But unfortunately, then also you go into the annual game. But and yes, I shock because last week Mercato I said the US team and yet a strong team in this company. Mercato the reason some more 8 almost transition.
Yes.
So almost 8 players that was starting and we are fresh in the competition. Uyi Mega Rapino, Alex Morgan, Uyi Kelly O'Hara, then goalkeeper Nankasa, Alisa Naha. These are very experienced players who are supposed to be out of the team. But no so we are seeing Neum and no so Omoba, Zesura Mosovic, goalkeeper no Bejuma. Emza or Chelsea goalkeeper in England. Emza or Bejuma purposely for US
in buy.
Yeah. Yesterday, first half, now a bit dodgy. Yes, on say Joan Canary, any chance, and also a wonderful Chelsea winger, right winger, any chance be early stage of the game. Then you have a situation by Kosovari Aslani, it's a chance. But then, they were not clinical in front of them.
About the guys who will be at the annual Butimobo. Barcelona in Kwaboni, the Umbers of Butimobo.
What about Similan? Kosovari
now I'm a former Real Madrid player.
Oh, I know that means I said Timo was in the can. Now, Obaton, I can't, baby, you can't. You trauma dear, none here. I was an Aslani GD, baby. I say, oh, mean himself, Mokamba, and there's some near Campacho. As all kind of best or their title. Okay, former Real Madrid similar player. When I
Apostle Crabbies, Kosovari, you do obey yellow Madrid. This is how always similar. Okay, I didn't last a day, but was it? Did the number about former Real Madrid star, Munamo developing, and I similar Befadi, but when I and Tusha, Stanley Blackstone, was almost captain or Arsenal, or also near chance be 10 years, but yes, so Osha, they struggled, they were not creating chances, but the US following the first half equity some few chances. Osha, about you are trained to Rodman, 18 minutes on your opportunity, most of it said Mabejuma. 27 minutes or train Ababa you are Magdalena Eriksson and a ball shot goalkeeper no Ebeye Juma. Now 34 minutes Captain Listening Horror and your head up there's a crowd from Rodman and a heady ball about crossbar. Baby because no say lack a bad. Now 53rd minute Listening Horror captain and training
far corner on him so with the atom or the name on say or so waki pan most of it until they stand pump him hand ne sam
say
no
or the ball
now 89 minutes the enemy who change bia Lynn Williams across the ball Lynn Williams cross the ball no and a header diving header to the near post or something down the 96 minutes on Alex Morgan a train beyond tally the number right back no for Sweden or train no and or rim far post on him so with them about you ya lipia de esa year there's a adena bedding Lynn Williams so sir Lynn Williams enya ball or trim back who trim you know peja keeper then Sophia Smith 107 minutes there no and look at who but she was so in all on the one of them Oshaya or Bejuma she decided to really make sure that it was impossible for them. The US man about penalty shooter that really they normally finish a game in the 90 minutes. About penalty shooter that they are not really that good at penalty shooter. And then you expect Mega Rapino, very experienced Oba at this level to be converting such a chance. Only O'Hara, Kelly O'Hara, so you expect at this top level to be a converter. Unfortunately, she couldn't convert. Sophia Smith because she's a young, brilliant. This or no team way. So Savannah Melo bought the right side. I said Sophia, Emba, Fifi, Anna Rosala Valley. I know a plan for this game. Trinity Road, but so because of that, Omo unless any Megan rapping or Mokokra, there's Omo Nicolano, but I said Pennyfono Emma Mokoyamaba. And we're shocking because US and free round 16 da. We're the first time a US free round 16. US Omanya dear Krajan semi-final. So Sweden have done very well. Sweden are giant killers. Nemum Sweden are coming him no. Back or share Mincrophone. Japan. Aha. Now mono Bono the highest scoring team in the competition, 14 goals. 2011 almost share 12 goals to the and then almost share 14 goals. The only team yes. Almost the best defense because goal now almost consider right and goal no Risa and a goalkeeper Mikkelsen of Norway and a long ball and a Risa G a crossing ball no Emma rating was able to score and near woman say and no the only goal considered so far in the competition and they score 14. Now they have the best defense in the competition, they have the best attack in the competition. That's Japan. Almost shower. Now said that attack girl no Hinata Miyazawa. Kwashe second goal now Fujino man pass 2 passes no go share no. They are deadly. Some passports. Yeah. Obetimi this coach results or the you Hasagawa any Fuji Uka Nagano ne bombe foot. Obetimi ayi no asafrio. Or you free wa Obebo Fujino no aboshi mizu or midfield. Their option the man rotates in a nice manner and almost difficult to break down. Problem was and almost but say a ball of them now converting rate is very high, almost discipline, almost control, almost passing, almost very quick, almost intelligent. And the only know which Abalama says Norwegian, so they came to her. Graham Hansen, too short, 2 very good shots. And then I must say, goalkeeper Yamisha to a idea. She made some wonderful save. Service too short made it. So Japan are true. Near way 1 shot on target, US 11 shot on target. Sweden omunya ke because Japan for the South Africa.
Africa there is a baby do no no.
But South Africa
idea. Apostle. Me person over ball about we bet my idea bro so sao.
No cre. But you also sometimes the story you need to understand them. Utienia Hilga Magaya kan ye. $60,000 don't be omenyano each no. Was started chro ni mama ni papa man mama dampe mu 1 year. Yari abe cost be $15,000. Was started Jessica no.
She's got the other way.
South Africa mania professional many professional league.
Yeah.
This game Getlana Hilda Magaya simple. Unfortunately German simple so prior. First half Senya Tankroff where Van Dom Sella keeper now. Now don't forget that Gerlana and keeper no one of the match. Or yes saves. Gerlana 4 saves from Gerlana alone. Hilda Magaya 2.
Agiba Azube Juma no.
On Pejuma and the South Africa they play so well. But problem na fullbacks. Karabo Dlamani was left back. And Lebon Ramalepi right back. Problem no. And it has been their problem. Number of goals on 1 so far. Problem Bambamani Mbani, centre back, brilliant, intelligent, good leader, good organizer. Only Toko Matlo. But the problem is full back. Because and I keep on so Bejuma. First goal no mo share no.
Africa keeper idea.
Oh, first goal no. Efanisemo.
Africa keeper idea.
Berenstein goal no.
But
Pelova.
The ball fed time.
Oh, one Fanisemo. Second goal no so sa. Giroud goal no so sa. Ochie no jemu. So one more. But for me, South Africa my omoko ejuma 5 to 7 p.m. That is their storyline. That's why case be able to case by case. Or ko ejuma 5 to 7. No, 9 to 5 p.m.
9 to 5 p.m.
Or we are no about training 7 to 9 p.m. every day. This is the story of most of them. I know my Atlanta saw no US. But most of the players, this is their story. And the only professional league, yet you are the Andrew Bobo, and so called Juma Pon and Sana Wasanko training.
Wow. But also, we young people, South Africa, here, zero months, they
kept look at what they did to Sweden. Almost Sweden took the lead. Senior defensive problems are South African competition. Even match with senior keeper on one bejuma was Sompa.
Come baby.
Oh, Kelly saw that problem. I
was my bishop from Kakra. Na china memoir Morocco di na mame. Na weze no so no sa.
Oh mompa my.
South Africa there there. Bishop.
Yeah.
Weekend in there.
Oh, na pressure wumpa but. So we fun sir.
I was Olympic Marseille president Nekas or Mumbriki French League, you know. Oh, what they was it?
Maybe probably Longoria.
Longoria has a Mumbriki French League, you know. Say, I won't come back for now. So we play as 10.
They always soft.
I was it. I would break league, you know. First, I'm not in France. I would break league, you know. La, I won't coco, you know. The players bear 10. Tell also, Bishop. Also, African players are what all.
You know, as I'm winning, I can't. More fun is a Premier League player. No, you have boys to be. Look, the timing of the AFCON is a problem.
I had it.
You know, Fabi beyond 20 football papa and Henny Bono. Look, let's be serious. Let's be serious. I understand the weather. I understand the weather argument and all. Nemum see bit me who bibia. What I say? Because
now, at that time, no phone was ever one house.
Oh, yeah. And now, I will call with so much in Chimney and Sarge.
Oh, yeah, dear, yes. So, yeah, there. Is you
on bit Messi? Conakry 2004, Tunisia and Senegal. Oh, then I'm bit match. Anyway. I mean, it's
my sister. You are a almost any more about it. Oh, yeah, dear. But we have do a base from Walefa. That always share 5 feet. I'm calling ball about you.
Okay.
Waka
or the Wakama. So, Mira, I titia. Yeah, that's why I say and Tias and Fufran Penisi. And I pay Rafael Varane. Alanta, our Manchester United. No, and no, then some Kakrabe to Jamie de Hong Komona. See, we had a meeting last week with the FA. They recommended from the referees new decisions and rules. From the managers and players, we have shared our concerns for many years now that there are too many games. The schedule is overcrowded and it is dangerous level for players' physical and mental well-being. Despite our previous feedbacks, they have now recommended for next season longer games, more intensity and less emotions to be shown by players. We just want to be in good condition on the pitch to give 100% to our club and fans. Why are our opinions not being heard? As a player, I feel very privileged to do the job I love every day, but I feel these changes are damaging our game. We want to be at our maximum level, the best we can be, and put on amazing performances for fans to celebrate every week. I believe it is important that we players and managers highlight these important issues as we want to protect the game we love and give the fans our best. Rafael Varane and Anopa, any problem we are saying this. What kind of DNA when you want to conduct a proper audit, content analysis on it? Say, and yet just the physical aspect and all here, there are psychological aspect and so and the games are becoming too much. You doing some come away that then okay, say they wish I say jogging club na kofa ba e mutra na Guardiola de betuso. And the players need to do so. Nemo, he is the wrong person to make this argument.
We don't cause one at the
Sam Rawi didn't in Yakofaba. Yemisa say, why is this new law introduced? On board World Cup, no Barambobi. There be. Did he play?
World Cup. France. Laurent Okobio.
Good.
Okobi.
Good. Medasi P. Person Boamio. Now, minutes na to so saying
10.
Was it in the middle of a season? Yes, it was.
Yeah, now your boss season.
Did he complain?
No.
So now, to my attack on this very piece. Emra Yediaba. If you say footballers, any coaches, say nya ewura park ne so na referee ball whistle or more control our match so no mumienu plus the referee.
Yeah.
Send your game besi akono. Sompa players, any coach, and omo chere say match ne say na ebe kono. Se ujai atatita. Enso be jai o wani. Mesa Fabium. Se ujai atatita. Enso be jai o wani. Rafael Varane can never be longer than his shadow. One of us had in trim. Coaches need players, no. Yeah, the additional time too, so because you hear researcher who say, "What me born 90 minutes of a football match, Jeff? Now out of 90 minutes, no, born no park, no so more born here just 52 minutes. Because we have one that for more Brian, no. Why mona some players bobo no mo assistant referees kon interrupt game no na referees na ba oni ombekasa no ya mama nti se omu jaya tete na e be ja omu hwani kwaku increasingly football na ankasa aye born over 90 minutes no dodo no aye ball abonten ya doso timi bo football match na over 50 minutes pen e ball that park no so aye ball they aka nyina obi da form ya say breaking up play e koka mo say dark art. So they are also trying to find ways to stop the dark arts. Inti me catch Varane say metenasi.
Sompa Sports.
Ye come on mo ejitum say football games no do so do. Maybe because them new this year me catch say Carabao Cup mo jai bad na beba.
Yes.
But this law has a specific traction. And the traction is that ball na that park no so na ye born. E ye mo mienu mo ni mo coaches e na mo ma ball no inflow. It is a mobile now that form. A brand out that form. All the period the ball goes out, yeah, the better swam mobile. Yeah, the 10 minutes never to so. Now, most of that form.
If they're really about Rala, I'll jam as well.
Okokandi.
I'll jam as well. We are all like as you as a dear do. Sarah, but I will catch what you as a World Cup final.
Yeah, exactly.
First half for mobile +8. Second half for mobile +9.
Missy,
a sanko extra time. Unless they winning, we almost sambo +7.
Missy, until na me per scientific basis, I will me bino. Almost say game no. Tactics are players ni coaches ever. Onya show one we are. Not the dao. No more ball not watching her. No more breaking up play, holding up play unnecessarily. And no any checking. Until let's all be guided. Let's all be guided. And no, I never told you. I say, Al Ittihad for Bobo, most of them Liverpool 60 million. Mama Mohamed Salah 90 million a year for 3 years. I'm saying 60 million for 3 years. Yes. Obenya 180 million. Okay, so Saudi Arabia, I'm sure I say, DMD can butch your Salah. Kwaku, Ababonte, the outlet. In Central Kuamodes Asam it's one of the most credible in Saudi Arabia, any the MENA region in Middle East and North Africa. Kwaku Ofi Hunsio Ebia near the Nuaninam. Ofi Nehunsio no Ebia near the Nuaninam. Say Omonya Sika, non person would develop football. Ade omuyi Team Bia Bema players nako nkra school for mu PD. Na omo nkra na hu say sports munya. And yet, they want to get their young population to appreciate sports better. Only Al Dawsarimu, Same Al Jabemu, and I'm back around. they need a poster boy for the project. That is him.
Sompa Sports.
Ubia Beko. Name that boy, that person they would need Salah. Agent friend Rami Abbas. Rami Abbas Babonte say Omo your madrin so moko baby Salah agent nunsama o kanu krese kaka. Or see if you consider leaving LFC this year, we wouldn't have renewed the contract last summer. Mohamed remains committed to LFC. Mohamed remains committed to LFC for now.
This year we are Jordan.
They all have an attack offensive on the back corner.
Some passports.
Look, they need that. He's the biggest athlete in the MENA region. The profile is exactly what suits them. Karim Benzema or a Cremo, Bomun is all French on your Algeria. The Cremo no created of your modality. Wait here. Ufriom and our Quaco ye and our Saba. Yala. Oh, I'm the Nebeko. Nemran in the Yanso here. Kuku, I'm running to Umbeko. Now, no, Sadio Mane, I'm so called Bobo Nibi. No, Mubizan said, I Salawi. If you watch every video in the crowd, best Kuku. Take a car.
It's in Liverpool.
And only a matter of time. Mira, and Bia. And I bekan Sadio Mane Kroya any by Munich wansem. Na the media advisor Bakary Cisse call RMC. Mo muti RMC ni fu radio France, even Radio Monte Carlo.
Yeah.
Okokasa kakra na nsem de we hwe gu pa koya mo fa so pia ni pa mo ni free ho na se omo hu se we bibini no na jisika kese no Leroy Sane hu nsem no wa kan nsem bebre. By Munich to the statement about bontin say omo Sadio Mane ye adwuma na bia na commune person omo ka kono enduru ho nti no mu no obi afa ne kwan omo hu da obi anko no anko bo ne bra na nye kama na mire. It clearly shows you there were issues. The breakup was a bad one. Omo ntimi nkan sem ni nyina, but racist abuse any sanu manoma na I raise no esre kakra kwaku utie two accounts na hwe kwan Sadio Mane fa so ko na se na ne na esi wechi na tan se ne aba bonten
ona no kra o didi nkomo no san kan si studio sensem no kro mbezo be kan ni enti we no dey ever we ne
edoso
abi o me ya pa ze kofa sani so ni nyina one e hye pa o sani dey so ne money dey nuafo
until there is more to this thing. There is more to it. Now, this, by many come here crafty. They are very, very crafty. I'm a release video be. Na video no. Oko Germany a GBC or no. My friend is ZDF. German State Broadcaster ni di no. But we almost call DWTV Deutsche Welle no. For a reason. For video ni be.
Keiner angehört wurde und nicht so gut behandelt wurde.
Hoeneß war sein Ziehvater, ne? Und Karin Potthoff, Sekretärin von Uli Hoeneß, war seine Mama.
Ich kann mich an eine Situation erinnern, die möchte ich niemanden auf der Welt gönnen. Ich bin nach Weihnachten, nach dem Weihnachtsurlaub vom Skifahren zurückgekommen. Ich kann mich noch wie heute erinnern, ich lag bei uns auf der Couch und habe irgendwie Zeitung gelesen und dann kommt ein Anruf. Frau Potthoff ist dran, gesagt. Und hat geweint am Telefon. Habe ich gesagt, was ist denn los? Ja, die Tochter von Sammy Kufer ist in Afrika in ein Schwimmbad gefallen und ist tot.
Das war sehr hart und das war gut, dass Uli gesagt hat, Sammy, wenn du willst, flieg nach Ghana, du hast Zeit, wenn du zurückkommst, FC Bayern ist für dir da.
Immediately, Uliones, Romero, all of them banged into my house just to console me. And they organized a private jet within the next 2 hours for me to go back to Ghana. And that tells you they care about you. And the private jet was staying in Ghana till when I finish everything. That tells you that these people, they are there for you.
Now, this video was made in 2017. You see the major actors on the German football scene will be a share video, especially those in Bavaria. It's quite clear. That video no more Bruni Omia Bakope.
Ah,
it's for a reason.
so mo munye ni paji and only one interesting things on na mo portals no e release list of players that war squad we musisi a ebi mo boma man foforo but mo ya bi before and mo bi mo so mo ya bi before a mo so boma team no promote him me Leroy Sandy mo and Alfonso de obobo di bebre wum di azem we dey bishop omo piashe ba bi kra
one course I studied during my second master I'm reading for the political economy of news kwagu so what kind of news keke and you say ya time news na say bi tie ya say kokan yo ebre bia ne dey also many party no. And these people are the masters of that.
Oh, mama, yes, yeah, we na man who's there. I could afford the no crowds and the chat one in head. Hey. Many are we have called there.
Oh, Yanko pardon, BBI fine.
You grew up in Nico Mokaka. Now, Ose, yeah, the bay area talk at the Fatah dear Call 52 Estate Construction Limited, opinion or bar and come with there. Na ya futuos nkwano de ma ya yesiso no abanye ram ka crazy ma do 11 prepare me kwa kofa ayi kotoko coach mu na abanti be ko na makodi
okay
ye ram kakra
okay ye nche tiefo na ye mamu nyina ache ene anopai na ye ba ya asem ye tie ye 52 Estate Construction ye yen ena se opa asase ato asase amanso ni ho asase ede a yen ene wo se wo de bedan ne ma obi eto ewo abomrem anase eboa ewo fom ene nti wutie ba bia wo bia se wusika abo ano na pese wo to asase afa bedan yen sase no ebo ewo fom eye 30,000 18,000 eko obenya asase na wo so wotimi ato no watena so na wa ye fiura de bia me ba meka ye mrante ne maba wa ye sisi so enei ye toto half plot on sase de to ye nsem no mesrew yeni ya yedemo yabomode a ya pempe no chinchina atwan no mesremo sa ne mani nyina yesremo montete so na mommo abuesika na no na momfam na 52 estate na momfam beto asase de bia meka ene de ehu so mfa so onemum akina ena be hu so mfa so se an ampa debi mitie ya brantie bi ewo eye sompa na wo cancer ase ho asem that time na me osika pa na so manfa anto eno no ena akina bi no be hu sampa se wa yemfom so kase pa na wo mu omunya sika mu de bo prema na omadi no safo no de bia meka omunyi ni che pa o mi de minya sika na medi o mi wu na me ko minya sika na medi mi wu na me ko safo no nyini che obenyi na obeche no obebo akokora abre wa no da so han obi dan uyi no eto nchen a obekwa na ebusuafie no wasan ba betena ho no ba beko edan ho entokwa saafo no ba betena fie a light bay kura ba ompese obetua pese no wo fa asefo no ne tua
sesa patapa le fele patapa otifira no luma patapa o de ba bia du no ejo be fi mu to patapa ne adwonbone sa light bay he wo tua edan ne bi kura time so a obetua akwaje obi sika no odi sa oye no hwe a enye o fa no arojifo obitibi discover o fa gisi dan minua gisi dan obedi oba ontimi nya utimi nya no edota da bia ye kase mo fa medan 52 estate yensi wudan mfama ho yempe plot ho jo emfama ho na si wade nkakra opesi esi e bebo ne esi ama ho da bia meka enei uhu so mfaso nemum akina na be hu so mfaso da bia edansie ya ade esika komu a ema nanso so no ya ade a okina no wankasankasa na beboa wo da bia meka ye ka ho nsensem a mede ka ye example otoka obekoso aye ho maintenance obeye ho maintenance o disika beshem nanso okase o ton a depreciation be ka no e den ya ka ne bo no ebeba fom enenti anuanom ne adofo amu tie nyina no mo nhyɛ ne nso fa ye number ne fra ye na ne ye ni nkomo ye numbers no eye mienu pepepe baako eye 0556 72 33 38 0556 72 33 38 and now 0531 0531
52 57 97 0531 52 57 97 eno eye number of bejo so kumase ye wo antoa kwantempo no so a ye wo duase page 4 eho ene kumase ye wo enkran achimota kwantempon so ntimo amwo nkran ne mantemu nyina no achimota kwantempon so gempa kwano so wono ma Kufme Plaza ase ho eho ene ye wo a ye gusu a ye di adwuma na enigi sema je si aba ne se wa wo pedan ahan bia fa bedan
is ya pedan ahan
o pedan ahan
find them
fa bedan
the companies are kese na omo pedan mo
adwuma ye fo ana ankrankra fa bedan 52 estates
52 is ya mo ye adwuma ye tu
ye de ba bia wo bedan mo asom adwo obenya fi ato obenya asase ato enya dan ya dem enya odaache no eno ne ya de 52 estate yaba na ye di ho adwuma adwuma di aye di ano no eno nti no se bansa ase ne dan wo to ba bia obeda ne adaden de fa ne nyina fa bedan 52 for ye ne ye beboa wo na wo nsa etimi aka wasom ebedwe wo ye de wo kwakotena fie wura ntete wo fie wura fo ne bi ha adweno
pa
ba mo hanso mu di ha unya eska no wo di bo preman wan fa meto ene no ni gisem ne se 52 estate oba your half plot ho ene wo full plot e wo ho plot no ye 30,000 half a 15,000 150 million fa beto plot ni bi wa si wade wo de me say wa ho odi ntimi no hyehye one room pe hyehye so na tena wade im wutimu kakran no bo no waye wo kofia bia ene cement ekwa animu kakra yi bosomeso bia be 5 bags bi no ato na de gu obobo ya ato na kakra da kogu wo kakra we no ato na de gu kakra sabon se one room na wasi no as time goes on no wasi wan hye one room ma akwa ka ho as time goes on wan hye two aka ho edansie eye plan obi won ma ne sika agba no beti okukuru ne na de si won ma boso se si a bo bi so won ma adwuma wo ye no eye kakra na wusi enu nti wo de edansie no fa bedan ye beboa wo ope carpenter ni amna be ye wo dan na se wo fie ho adwuma 52 estate ye were competent ones won ma omuni madwuma a carpenter fo no bi hon ma obo da so ma wa enche benwunu
no kre
waton chense mono dua mono bibia mono enche ebenwunu dan so 52 for no omomo ho no expert omuni madwuma na ombo da no so a enwunu ope Tyler amana to dem wadwuma mu office be bia Tyler de ama wa fa bedan ye Tyler so omuni madwuma obu hon mo 2000 ben nante so 1 month 2 months
na shasi ebu
baby ashasi yi ne bibi tutu 52 for yadwuma ehote o electrician amna be ye wo fie obetwe light ama wa ye wo fie nyina kama de ama wa eja ntotomu a fa bedan 52 for na ye moa ye wo mo ni madwuma ombe yi wadwuma no ma wa mo de ne papa ena ba yi wadwuma e de ama wo eni nti no saafo ni nyina bi awo ya so ye wo mason for
ombe yi wadwuma no
mbe ye adwuma kama
adi wenti na ade bia me kanfo ma omo ama no ne no se
yes
omo ne mu ndinsa wo so we be toma adwuma no shase ase ekura me adwuma no content dem
simple cry
ya vida ma ya dua ma me kofa Tyler o
debi
we don't buy full package
ye wo mu nyina bi awo ho ye kwa na ye si e de amount pram say ya short nsase wo ho no mo a esi asa akokoje nsase foforo na ne gisem ne say ende no corporate entities ne na eba mo
nzabo mo bu adwuma
bi ho no ma bia nurses omonka bo muko no mo aba e bia be 30 acres 40 acres no maje no mo de am mo workers e bi ho no teachers no mo aba e bi bankers no mo aba eni ade anti nei no se bia adwuma wo ye no wo de meka se wo nye banka wo nye aban adwuma bia na nemum bojua kakran na wo ye no obobo eska na no a fa beto asase 52 ye nchen nenya ho document to na si wade kakran na mo enye sa echina bi no wa na bedi unya ubenyini na da so han obi dan enti da bia ye ba ye bo ho dawuro ne esere nuanom ne ma ne mema yesiso no obo ho no no wanyini abo ne brewi owu akọ ono no mfa asase ne fie nye hwe ai wono obi okọ odi abro ai odi abro no akọ
bi de kra abro za obo kokokre obozo ololo ohwele obeda ho wu a ohuze agele bọọlụ abekuno
abro wi odi abro no okọ eti yen mrante ne mabawa na yen yesisu se sambe no na de bia 52 estate ye tu yen ho fo se sika no wonya bia sie bi udi bi no na wo sie bi enema hodo bi wo ho no ma ehu hia no twetwa so no atete so de bia meka young guy wasi so bia wonware wo ne yire onko a akwaji 2 bedroom flat wo de yedai
o fanya hwe
no wasiesie wo de yedai e ma penti boabo eska na no single room self contained ahya wade mu kakra never toss us in this wadi and kakranka never if you run it to come titia one yan search and be one a how and unti kumasan and the Montesson Ashanti region once as any bibiwaha almost saw mute here free and crying the bumpuni mantem so you once as any bureau what the NSO be free you was as so hope will be a man for be dying. Ebe po bia mana to ama wo efie no wasia du ba bi wa ho ode asa de bia me kan ba ebe 2 for ebe mo education amfa ebe po bi no ato efie no e de ama wo na won san so atimi aka wo sika
yamfa na mani bi
mo eti fraya ya number ni ya 0556 72 33 38 na 0531 52 57 97 we are branch ababa wa wasi so mesrew wode ebeto car wode bo primind here boaboano fabra 52 estate fabra to asas
mate open nyambo a yebezehia why ma ye na ho ye kwede ba pe yebewram na de akibia to aso amamo yepemu
Betway, for the love of the game. Bet the responsible way. Regulated by the Gaming Commission of Ghana. No under 18. Terms and conditions apply.
That's a long ball into the penalty box right now, and number 7 receives that. He's gone past the defense. This must surely be it. Goal!
With only 50 pesos, you can win 5,000 Ghana cedis weekly in the Betway Tap in Jackpot. Diwihine. Bet responsibly. Not for persons under the age of 18. This advert has been approved by the Gaming Commission of Ghana.
Seobetu kwai akusua de ewa manone enda from kra top tier amanaye fo achechefo a yede omoye adwuma no etutu kwan esua de ewa manone efi bebre yebetimi aboa amwa bo degree or masters or postgraduate or doctorate or US UK Australia any amama nso bebre ye nhwehwe ma won ma won beso won beso sat IELTS and TOEFL so person utu kwan akusua de ewa manone dia empa top tier kumase yewo amakom Bank of Africa and Temuho. Friend 0260-411-847 and I say +1 646 659 5045. Accra, your Medina, Rolling Circle, Yeni CC Hagan Plaza Building, no, at the Bonrenimu, Medina Polyclinic. Your number, 020-3592-008. Takrade, your NK City, Fire Service, and Tenghua. If you're Quanta Road, no so, you're bang Fijai School Park. Your number, 059-800-7852. Just study abroad with us. Top tier, we give you wings to study abroad. Top tier, our clients, our priority.
Hey, Esikafo, Chrome, what day and I see Eddie Hunkomi, and walk of Fabro for free Abrochra Basin in terms of Fefesano. Our power master, Abraham, 52 estate construction, and I said Danakamasano. I can't soon who be out. Hey, 52 estate construction firms in Kwanesi would day, some because all Sompa. Company and a friend of 52 estate construction. Oh, I see. What on Sassy and your diamonds winning, and that was see a dance or tongue, or some managing properties. Natural, Upedayato, Upa Sasiato, and as a Upedimokubia, Amenesi modern houses, I'm when you be at her. Mo, now, Unim, Ufio crowd was see a Timono. Sir, Nebrechum, now we judge the man 52 estate construction for. That is a design in your Fabian. Mo, yes, I won't put down in your group, but so Bessia down more than one sure one casa would do fear. Wow, now one more him 52 estate construction. Our Kisseman, Gimpa Achimata Road, for 0556 72 33 38, and the Kumasanso, page 4 and 12 Road, over 0531 52 57 97. Social media Nyanso, at 52 estates.
Around Sirakasi, Quatia Fama, Yaboa Dada, you know, we create, I can't say Game Park Limited, you know. Akrade afina baba babazi omo juma omo bono yadia ano edin papa na munkomo no ene sede niama esi etie ne sede hihye no esi korot muzampa ehyeya ebo amane makoye pa etimi ede emana mepacho ene Game Park games no sede honsem no esi etie ne simple kra ore fa phone no o tablet na fe computer no na obo modern na onsa etimi e kan ramu o Google Play Store okoha na wabo modern etimi a download the app that's in a Game Park Games app. Tiri a Game Park Games app. Now what download it. Another boro one is there dia. Other content and video so www.gameparkgames.com www.gameparkgames.com. Anakita mobile phone network bia na pesa krade no. Also oye ne simple. Ana kind of simple kra. *946#. *946#. Na the only from 0 to 9. Obama modena sa numbers no. Wahemuna wa numbers 9 4 ujirize. Ebetimi abo. We no omo pese unya sika bebrinti no. Omakrade no mu twine mpre no mako miensa. Ye wa no pa de 9 o'clock am live on Adum TV. Ene we wi ade 12 p.m. no see live on Adum TV na nwumre 6 p.m. live on Adum TV. Sere bebe boa mane makoyera mana sere osi twaro no. Ebi ono ye wadwen se 4 numbers no. Offer 1 2 3 4. Na ekokobo na eyesa. When sika bibribi wo mo also no eya ade a ewo so ena ebi so na ugiri so 4 numbers na wodi ewram no your number bi ti say 2 ebebo mienu ana ebe apie mienu a eno so timtwa na say bia wo 2234 se eno so bo me de ma o sika bibri di eye game e interesting pa na also na ewa chiri ade a ewo so ye papa ene enelefo adwoma tumtum dwuma di na omudi no ehon te na afo ndi no fie du wotwe a emfa ho hyemtie no a ene ewram se open mula na nkasa cash na wani age a meba fa ho hyemu Game Park Limited omo games na omo de abaro na aboa na ne makoye pa etimi edi amana hihye no so no etimi adeda di Treaty of Arc Limited Company oye head to work ankwana peso ko ekoko ramu ewo amanone a na chese hihye ne da ye etimi erema kama so no yebetimi ede wakọ yese Canada na UK edo de man no na chese head to work so no to doctor midwife lab technician ana we nurse akwanya doma okwa ababomode atwe license exam so no pass ya ma ho license so no oyo clinicals ni na scared be ma no o Ghana bosome nka unya ntiko bebi abeda o me na Treaty of Arc for edu Ghana akransa na wetimi represent tukwan ko bebi se Canada America North South Europe na ukọ ekoko sua ade a ye boa amadisua no wato aso e ho no na afre football so no na open sports visa ye bre na no so ya bomode etimi edu Ghana kama pa etimi area ma ne uyo bi a wonsa no Ghana so ye Tyler Carpenter onso no ye plumber na simple no oye farmer mechanical ni gisemaba ni na ze duru amoru ma kokobo edwuma mpo ni nsa edwuma form number no ne omo ni nkomo ebe boa na no so no ye de wo etimi eram ti omo number ni 0531 644 217 0531 644 217 and 0531 633 556 0531 633 556 and 0205 572 076 0205 572-076 ne mbwana ne manko ye pen fama opomo a oro ani chemu ado ato masala chikumase omo ebe na Bepo Junction na afin kran so no wawra mo nkran ne kaso antamo na Greater Accra ne Central Region ze kaso a Central Region bare ben kran di intamo bebi no oro ani chemu kaso New Market Road na Fidelity Bank, our bank so no first from more Ebridgman. Trinity Limited Company, the only company that knows how you can travel to any part of the world. Tirana, Yamwana Nemanko Yesono, Entimi Emfa Emana Betway, me Bajon season on ra. Ere treasure to now chimuno yebedi sika bebre www.betway.com.gh www.betway.com.gh eramuna abwa na nema ko yepa etimi ede amount na hyehyɛ no enso ade da yetimi ede amount the answer when you do fie du nwɔtwe na uram na apɔ modern etimi ekɔkɔ abenye sika bebre na ne yeso kɔ baby a top up for no one a ye was special ya eram kama pray etimi ede amount ram ne hwɛ na yetimi enye ne ye mfama tutu no yeze dabi nyete sɛ benada fieda ɛna afi memenda yebɛsa aboa na also no yetimi abustu ne kama so no etimi ede amount hyehyɛ na dedi o madaroma ɛne baba betra mo bɔ modern abo adwuma no etimi ede amount ye tuto ma pɛ ye be join video kuma se baba sports stadium na ya bɔ modern na ya kwakɔ ɛsɛ de nema esie tie no tutu no esie kɔ ɛne na Dr. Prosper na te ogum ye ne pie so ye coach oba na waba be jama boa ma ne ma koyeda ma krobia kuma se asante korokɔ to join ya there is a coach ababa bedu na obedu yo si ya ne ohwe na bibia de da din no na uzampa ono mpemfo awodo na era na o ma baba be rama boa ma ne enye David Okruni hey awozo hey
I thought we cut also be assistant.
Oh wow.
Yeah, be assistant.
David Okru. Now many is that the my coach be saba. And on there
coach saying
Johnny Dwarf.
Comedy course but so be the mean to minka. But
Sompa Sports.
You see appear and Nancy say IMC no. Yes sir.
Coach James Akwesi.
I am blessed to be around him because as a top legend not only is he a former coach of the Blasters or former coach of Sani Kodowa. Waboko Tokaji African Cup of Nations the 3 as a captain Kotoko and then also with the 2 AFCON. So James Kwesi appear a top legend.
Wow.
I mean I be a player that what to me abo national team G Cup, abo club G Cup on African continent, abo coach the senior national team. First of all, you're assistant for many years, be head coach. So
head coach.
Yeah. So Prosper Ogunaga, I'm fortunate to have him as a member so that you have a relationship with him and our best Suyanema be never got here.
Matthias
because play ni coach munyira no Kwesi apia ye was hopper and Ogma Finoba.
Yeah.
So I don't know so brand was not Sienna be free.
Yeah.
Buano. And it's privileged to have him in Kotoko. I only know some Kotoko. I'll bet me as Sienna be free. And I sent a coach to Tiero. No Jew. So it will be easier for Prosper so be Sienna be free.
Wow. Tiaje Erena Yakwaku Romo na Yabo Modena etimi aye ya.
Second entry. Was that or second spell?
Second
of for the yes. And a second season and a second company and easy but
when they are I
hope so with the caliber of people or especially because they appear around him or met me abuano and me bumper is a board no it's got the board so enche sir Senebea or be very certain now on him the people the juma do baby na be asika send him and now support be here biano you would need to support to make sure they put money for even though yes currently James coach Kwesi appear and then mention supporting but going forward MI is already bonding Chebibri so that BBA be structured and everything
BBA be cautious na po ana ne ma ko ye
tiara so you be trying you be tie the no dey nsem ne oba o makotoko we are far comparison ne pamono you know my position is that you are treating the na so oba for the second time no a DNs from Koba is your Edgy League young players or the buy or so second is Oba second time no DN Oba best from near obey 1 year crack time by DN or Baba can near or they say and the Oma celebrate Makoto supporters no GD mapper say your coach Asaba say your queen now coach said rebuilding and now say your twice one because building and Mose building a bubu. The football team Kotoko assistants today, nothing to write home about. So, support the zones and any coach no beer and or more beer test a year, but shall see boom every baby a while and then I ever build the doom pepper so being results no yen in and baby I shall league as no be a share Kotoko 3-1 now you Debbie sa bedru biegu now she share. Udrugu she until Embra Obanyani ye. But no soon say na Udrugu sa debi. So they say. So it is going to be very difficult. A difficult time and Kotoko be a Kotoko chita ni bia so nya botre se ekono nya better and is a prosper nya magician.
I was the amount did the answer about my yentie legend a lot of pokunti kakra on the second coming no come started on the final lap you need the your kind of found see no bomb the 72
no that friend is Oba first no and near my course no one sinto and near my course players no who be bia and in the second coming I think say mistakes are about munina or bear correct na yet me move forward the ogun no
Tiano ya komo bomo di timi area tu jari na bwa ma ne ma deda di permantino a lot of pokunti on there wa bobo na asen ramu kra ka ko bo edwuma etimi era ma tim no pen pa mre bi twem no na da club na no bomo de hema to tene ko ye pe timi era momo na nana kwa me dankwa enso ramu supporters no ma so ya pen pa no ono so bomo de edidi di komo de fa comeback no supporters no so no de omo so dwen de fa
Coach Prosper Nate Ogum said the year on the first coming or buy Oba Humani supporters in 24 in Como say Wababe internet and now once again also repeating editor and say Wababi drew officially also in the mediasi a Jordan started and see supporter or trainer maybe or buy a demand and Penise maybe I didn't know found to one frato was I repeating the Edenkra of fair national team I called myself say young fan to support the thing in say officially we best start a juma no on any man here e start training camp and the our important young fan support e ma
etiano ya koma la jazeri na kwa me da kwa bomo de timiere tuja na entutum no yen nin komoru wani chemo Scotland a tima ye from modern family athletic in Ghana ni ba ye friend e wanotu hono gina e bona kenzie na boy ni juma bono ona no edin pa zera no pa mike di no nkomo ni go so hye no ano edin no no ayi ram ni no edidi nkomo ni ebisa no e cheche ense ni mu kakra na akwanya dawo se kwan ne ba na ye frɛ no se ball obono ni juma no ye no bo juma fa ma Ghana mu nkomo ne te se Ghana in place si akan se no si ho mo se na ni opomo de nkomo no ejai.
Born in Glasgow. I'm 20 years old now. My mum and dad are both born and raised in Ghana. And I started playing football from very young. I've always enjoyed it. Since I was 3-4 years old, I was playing football. And I first started playing with a local team around 5 years old. And then I signed for Celtic, Glasgow Celtic, when I was around 8 years old or so. And I was there for the last 10, 11 years, had a very good time there. I enjoyed all of it. And then I've just recently signed in the summer just now for Dunfermline in the Scottish Championship. And I'm just ready to go now to prepare for the season ahead.
Let's talk about the upcoming season in the Scottish Championship. You joined Dunfermline, that was last season. You've joined them this particular campaign. What is the goal like personally for you and also for the club?
Personally, I want to keep developing. I want to show people that at a good level I can also perform very well. I feel like last season I done well, but I can do better, and hopefully I'm going to show people I'm going to do better as well. As a team, I think at the moment we're just taking it game by game. I think the club itself, it has big aspirations, but as a team we just want to take it game by game because we know how good a team we are. We know that if we put the performances together, we're going to get wins. So hopefully we just look to have a very strong campaign, and then we'll see where that kind of leaves us.
Okay. Now you're a footballer torn between two countries, if I'm to put it that way. You owe some kind of, I don't know if I should use loyalty for want of a better word, to Scotland for you being brought up in that country, and then you also owe some kind of allegiance to Ghana by virtue of the fact that you have your roots being traced here. So if the opportunity avails itself, and then you have to choose between two countries, what do you lean more towards?
I think at the moment I lean more towards Ghana. You know, I'm very grateful for everything which Scotland has provided me with, but I feel more strongly connected with Ghana from just my connection to the people, and then from when I watch them, from when I follow the national team, you know, I just feel like a stronger passion towards the Ghana national team that I feel like I really want to represent them in the future going forward. So that's my goal. That's my aim for the future upcoming. So I really hope that that's something that can happen.
Anti Komorowa, but evermore tina be over and crowning Yanti Manoni away Celtic or my academy on the Damani or Bridge Medima down family athletic that was Scotland. Now the Akunyani Dahona ye Tonsafena radio Babana Wababi Jama Bridge Metiera Moma Ghana Bois Dinra Comodidia Mike as I bodu and a 102 a bomb didi na crano achichi musere nema esie kwa bwama shishende da yepa etimi edi emana ye don komono erameti ramandianche yebe kona yakwa ko join Michael akomiamo from Kumasi Baba Sports no na de koso no ometimi edi amaye na ye musere shishye no esie ti na mo bafu polo se ne obomode entimi enjoy the akona kokoje African print no no abomode etimi edi aye designs bi ano edempa design e makuma ko 20 you know okwa de owe ma o shebe fata no na wabomode agentia o African print polo shirt, African print golf shirt, African print running shirt, African print v-neck shirt na boama shena ko yeso no etimi edi amane boutique fo no mon konko jibi na monton izanzen ko fo ba eno ano mo pena fi so a awoso obomode na utimi egibi na onso ton na ujiskari gubo to we ano baby girls ni di ni hia wan hwe yi na ho kire sa boys ni be hwe o baby sa na fi ama adeno kwa agbabra zo avina na wanya be 21 years ti ozo hwe na orura ma na eboa organizations out na the companies na bankers na mo Friday we no mo fan share ba funsa schools out na teachers association and so no na fan clubs out na ni na obre na wetimi aboa dudum no moto be hwe na wate so e da mama package, you know, your gold package are 20 shirts or box more, your silver package 15 shirts or box more, bronze package 10 shirts and also no L box more, gold package, you know, fair no, your buana bibia also no on an ambiano and to tiano akuye kama pa etimi amana shisheno so no etimi adida ye so no etimi edi amana no ye deliver nyade so be tweske bia nation one deliver ye ankonam te se no so etimi GB na fa the number na no ending como 0249 600-789-0249 600-789-0599 899-919 0599-899-919 top tier steady abroad consult yero kwa kurama monone wakoto edition so na aboa ma nema koye pedia ma na de mo de ne special pa ne se yezi na akwanya doma ti se be use US Canada UK Austria na fi New Zealand zero pese we high school koto aso occur or bachelor's degree masters no postgraduate diploma na certificate no doctorate degree programs no nyina be na yetimi ed wakwa kurama na we high school unim bobo unimrika ko ni bibi ye na o result ne ya ye boadi ani mo je scholarship ma nti no obu adwuma ni nyina na o sansua de o talent no so no na o dan dina abo sat ne ye boache mankofo twa ne ye pa na afi IELTS no any TOEFL no so ne ye che nurses no graduate and undergraduate student no mo so no etwetwa omo staff no adwuma omo bo no de onni experience kwa nyem fi du wo twa mo no ne ti obetwa kan abefa so abe adapte na abo na hyehyɛ na koye kama so no etimi edi ama na ne man so no etimi adadadi pa etimo amon kan no monfa omo number no na opo omo office no Madina Royal Circle CCA Gan Plaza building no Madina Polyclinic no anything 0203 592 008 003 592 0203 592 008 592 na Kumasi Amakum traffic light no Amoben Bank of Africa 0260 411 847 0260 411 847 na Takra de omo neben NK City Fire Service afian kwanta kwan no so no Fijan School Park na number ni 0598 007 852 0598 007 852 ni amwa na ne man koye pen fama de Ricardo ma me fa wen twato na me ni Bishop bedi nkomo akra nsa na yakodi nkomo na ya ram dia weekend em ze me am peso aso Honorable Michael Bedu ebo modern a 5-a-side game bia e course no honorable na ezi na obo modern etimi ye ntoto ne di dwumade no e ba be ba ze nze oro ani chemo for ikroma omo hwe zo pin pe be to abama na pipi ama yokora ba be ja tu ya kutin let's eat good and ebo modern ton sa free opin pa ya na just ordinary munyamba neba betechi ani nyina mo no na ebo ye 5-a-side baro hwe ni pe kugu one sere na nema esie kwa na utumu se bibia edidade a bibia etimi ekoyi kama pa edimo mo mrese no mnuzi ebeba na ya baba be didi on come ntu ye chan ze honorable boy mamo ene kuti mpatamu ono mo ho no ene mpinfo aka elder mo no nyina no ya baba tu chebo ma hihye ne ko yodi nkomo hye mrande ne boze oberhe na waboa na football no aboa mane ma ko politician no de pa ni mo fa mu nra football ni nemboa na bibibia entimi ended din kama pa ndi honorable Michael Bedu no na yemfio na yehwe se niama didama na yakọ na yakwakudu nkomo bi minim de obeka etimi area fa ho ne unveil no etoma apemeko na enkofo hu Dr. Prosper Nate Ogum se nena krobia ahusisi ni bibibia eshase na no bebrobro so ama wo ze dawuni suwe no nana ene omo ebo modern ye we ni ade a eno so nim ze ncho me confirm nti coach Babedu ye edikan yi ama ko fire oba no ni David Oklu ko James Akwesi apia kan bi na mpemfo awodo na era oma ba ni omo ba be na adwumadi no etia dadi na mze David Oklu record de alo de pa o de be 2 years aye adwuma ha ne ha from Kotoko House of Folk back to Kotoko hey yo maybe does you
I don't know
well does you
and you have some kitwa that's interesting.
The opportunity come back to us, but the opportunity come back.
James Kwesi apia maile na nkasa so na
ombi.
Anyway, Kwasi Central for yourself. They won't be at the baba. To buy a camera. Na Honda CRV na mu use na we.
Abeba abotre.
This question. Asantu for call US buy a car ko to you. Hi. Just a can in Ghana for TB. It's all good anyway. Oh yeah, beti do obeka. Na I don't know boss am baby.
The boss. John Ayana Eduafo. What for Eduafo ala? Because what for tactical coach? Because don't see bizarre question there. Bishop David is so bizarre question bibi obo. What for tactical coach ala? Aba him crab ye hu. Ada what do afa no?
What's that coach?
Okay, what for? John Eduafo na sa watch here assistant. Okay. Oh yeah, Juma.
But it is a coach way.
Abotre. Because you see bizarre. What did you coach so I kawas and why is it? We don't know. My name the court tactical coach.
Wasamba. Emana kwaba. And then you send me be pese kama e pese tie na no di semansa. Na yeso ebetimi aka bibia yaka. Onne danija enonim nia senia esi hwehwe fa. Ono anim ni ntia odem no ka se okọ. Ana ono anim ni ntia wasan aba. Na de nti na ojutum so ba be Kotoko adwuma no na no opoku nti kasem bi o kasewi ye no me ye madwen say I will patrol the social media space and actually observe say na sem no ka na nyina so ben e na o de kasem na me say udi asem no kwa pushu kwa Kotoko a very divided house minim say odwani ahwemu a
no krema
ntichemu mpa na yehu bi da na an kwaku bibia no ebe chen kwan a Dr. Sapon ene Kotoko papa mu no say you did not tell mani copy court and then Herbert Mensah so you did not tell ko si so ko do kin face a grass you did not tell no care boys but we are Kotoko contract and ko dey break Kotoko no dey ko mark face no care boys nti en sembebre enema bebre but na me jidi say the opoku nti kan nka betwa asem ni tia I think they should allow peace to
akabeboa papa
when something be no no
abi yo me ba say o support team ni ti now na say me ma ba ti say me tia me yeju e ti am entra afi
o debi e chira no pakra e ti na the time was
I will call the register 30 players e bi bra eventually will be contract we are there omre so and do support team na the obebe bia no facility cha na ye den e ma no but that support individual there and na as a bishop only supporter papa
I have no problem no one Kotoko so na how can say pa no
as a way board in coffee
exactly unity no e na wo form nti ogum de ebe ma na kwa aba na mo epese etie de obeka no o kawia na asasem kan bi wo ho a yeso etime hu ne ebeka da woni aba
ma me ko capito why ma me capito ni nkomo akra na me wi a menim sɛ mmerɛ no bi wom na yɛabane abe kapito na bi abɔkɔ deɛ
chairman nyame adaroma na so want to say
oh me so me ho yɛ papa
oh yeah tough
papa kapito
chairman oh yeah tough
kapito abe dia na wode mai
well chairman say anapɛse deɛ yɛba deɛ a ɛwa woni to asɛ asɛm de na ne de nam ɛde ba na asɛm da ɛba sei na onvele na akɔso deɛ a players deɛ na bɛbɛtu kwan
no kre
akɔpɛ sika bɛgu mbotom ɛbɛkɔ UK ɛbɛkɔ Canada ɛbɛkɔ Poland na ebi akɔ Austria ɛne Turkey nti yɛgusu a yɛtutu no makama sɛ ne bɛyɛ a yɛde amanfoɔ so ɛbɛtu kwan maka kyerɛ sɛ abrabɔ no a yɛbɔ no nɛ no sɛ adeɛ kyew na wobɔ mpa yi wie deɛ aka is about money
saa pɛpɛpɛ
sɛ bɔ mpa na nyankopɔn ma adepa kyew na the next thing sɛ wohwɛ wɔ asase wɔ sɛ is about money na wobɛnya sika so a you have to travel na bonim say ne sister no more hot oh yeah way
kapito
sister no more din
de oka nyina minim
oh yeah way tam so wa wo mti wonim de ko
di ya gods we madaro ma
entina gods we for no aba ye de amanfo bi tukwan ama so no wakɔ na within a short time no be fia o mo aba be do at least obenya one plot bi obenya half plot bi na wo so timi sidama no makoye obenya kai bi amanfo dem we land cruises V80 now so I then o de ayo run sama no mai then akuye enti anope the God's ways travel consult no it says 5 countries are available right now 5 countries
oh okay
are available 5 countries UK are available Canada are available Poland are available Turkey Denmark and Austria 6 countries available 6 countries
se be bia de
bia
person ko bia
bia tama catch you say o je 2026 Mexico USA Canada and so the bia na me hama ho no ye pa no and do person odi kan kwa China Blasters wo ho a we 48 countries and e kwa World Cup no and do person kwa China Canada e sa do ani che goes we ho they kwa to no mai kama edma na ho ye din ka catch you say 20% out of sky demand no 20% and ye do and to the 20% neba ya start to processing within 2.5 months 3 months pa no akọ remote Toronto now train Blasters ho
train Ghana den
train Ghana den and don't pay with na opɛ biem 20% of the money
no don't see su biem mame
20% of the scanner ye geno abu chairman so to the meche on say bia ye ka say total amount ni say ya oba obe
20% na oje
of the money
where the power
enti pay we ya minim ade a opɛ biem if only you want to travel so pursue to kwan there with this package no one take advantage or this package na minim ade a opɛ biem
abi on we dey encomo na de
20%
me ko Canada
good
me buy your share me anzo ne ska sem wa
very good
also abrabo hia me
good
ti se ska na uchia no
very good
shim na twa 20% no na okokodu o ye adwuma
with 5 year working permit
abi do komo we dey mu ede simple
enti abu ye the man for eco Canada they say a restaurant oko Canada na on send this for na ide ye won adwuma bebre another opportunity asaba no restaurant so e wo ho a oko akoye adwuma restaurant very nice one ajiska aside that no cake baby on produce cake and also ye do ko and also available simple oh ye no free wa UK e wo ho UK so no a work and pay with 5 year permit near the amount e wo United Kingdom sabre UK okupie mo UK a obenya pounds e de abafie enti wokɔ na no maso bibia ko ya sign contract o depend basic paper so bibia is documented okɔ wi a na de aka no wase de sɛ wo ye ye do be kɔ Denmark de bia meka se de bia chairman de se ni fie no chairman atapoku de ni fie ne Denmark e be bia produce biscuit na de wakɔ population ni just kakra bi but ska ho ye pa
be ye adwuma so
yes obeye adwuma fie Denmark ipa wo tu kan akɔ Denmark bia no obeka che say ho no population ni so but ho no no makuye pa wo Denmark so no available work and pay Poland the same thing work and pay and Turkey other than na a friend say apostle eka Turkey was and what say on what travel akɔ Turkey several times on to him Turkey the way Turkey and the same package and no so what Turkey then Austria no so no the same thing and tebia will be ATM obi hweme na awie I mean, can see numbers in this biom. Ebia will see Africa mo. Numbers no 0532
07 07
93
93
65 0532
0532
07 93 65 and 0532
0532
02 2217 0532 02 2217 Odo nature enkaya omo la pass omo dansuman omo carnation omo e friend say Borno atwankan Asia any Greater Accra region no obehu yen e wo St John's ho e na obehu yen obekọ 24/7 ye bia officer amanfo eye adwuma ho omo e process amanfo enoma amanfo de enoma ba omo tutu no makama omo betu kwan akwa abroche saa so na Asante region ha no mo am wo ba antima de chem so krofom asu ye bo a ene nko na atwa ya Asia no e bia wo be si e wo bono ahafo na Northern region ho oso betimi de wani ache Kumase na yo Afrancho OA Johnson Afrancho OA Johnson meno ekese na no pe no ya bia officer yegusu ayeye adwuma etutu amanfo no makama ede amama yedom eba betu kwan your working days no Monday to Friday and they say UTM na no pe na offer numbers na okaso buy in chain weekend na yenya available Saturday and Sunday Monday to Friday because Saturdays ya na activities na den edos enti yenya adwuma Saturday and Sunday but Monday to Friday there yeah available numbers no once again 0532 07 93 65 0532 07 93 65 and 0532 02 17 abun se nipa edi ya na eboa even though so nya family member kra no ye wadam for kra na odi ya na nam wo so na odi ya is very very important so at least on so aboa society na ma no ma den ekoye edman and that's why this easier way to travel no yede aba ebe so ma santima in Ghana man energy so oh yeah heavy so they say Toronto na park so they Toronto de bia so was Toronto na park
capito
oh yeah gate only bishop apostle team no chairman interto
capito
oh yeah great
ozu heavy rough
oh yeah great but entinyame aduma bibia no eda na kwa
but go so ebu ye adwuma nya
oh chama sene nya mo pai so na meche ono
abeze mama mbaburu no mo nya
enye easy
comfort that train ho akwan e be fa so e be call sika no mo bobo no e wo sure but go so e oba o ye 20% why ye baby aposo ko no ye de wa ko
o te de bia me catch obi o ha o sika ba kwan ye obefa so obetu kwan process na edin edman and obi so a oniska but why na dwen so obetu kwan these are the people I person e boa wo so we sika but kwan ye obefa so obetu kwan e difficult edman ye be che process no oniska but obefa so obetu kwan na so e entrance ene na obetrance na negotiation bibia den etimi akon kan a police form na for police for a say o my interest mama charge so police form hwe me na wie nyina ana na no pe nyina no e great police for nurses for ono police ni nurse ni tu kwan yo na wo na wonya nurse ni
oya aboaja
ono police ni soja ni nurse ni tu kwan na o chairman
oya aboaja o che wankona
na o che wankona chief
hweje wele anya
o chairman
capito
oh champion abu
capito Martinez you be
oh yeah heavy chairman oh yeah heavy
capito
oh yeah great oh yeah great
entiano goes we travel consult ne ko kokudin komo wo maso esima na edu ti yeza ram kakra bi yo ya to aze ye twen na ya hwe ye twen na ya hwe se we about them is there.
It's a very divided front and 70 BR legends now heard the independent be so both on the media space and then on the social media space are there and see you have to be used to this kind of regime changing protocol. You get the point. It happens. We quite say peaceful.
Yeah.
Herbert Mensah it was that bad.
I know damn bad.
We are no free. You could also make a case for Dr. Sapon. It ended in court because in some animal kafano no World Bank contract because terminated because of that. Some holding on. Yeah, Dr. Sapon really suffered. Pick up on bread pantino. Omunkai who say the Emma Kotoko intimin baby who said and Kambuma any team. At this point, you are not supporting or empathizing Anaya on Ponsa. No.
Oh, David.
You are actually deepening the division in the club. say ogum no antina na ya amposa because oja adwuma no ko and I only need issues and they was saba. And you see, let me tell you this. I don't think I have his permission to anyway. But I was saying, come a herphony a tea for more no muti and now me could deliver lecture or UCC last year. Aye. Now me deliver my lecture on a Friday. The Wednesday na oguma call business school on ma could deliver sports seminar on business marketing DB. Until Menenete International Relations Office, University International External Relations Office. You didn't come and say, me pay interview or some part on Neoma across the Okotokonum. No, say okay, any Obakumasia on Mbappe na. 3 days later, I'm saying my friend, Nama kind say your agreement, you know. You can say you started designing flyers, notes. I say at a refi. Now I'm coming with your interview in me. Wow. Koto komesa be coach you.
Samo kind.
That day. Until some now person can so can it might affect the relationship between
the same baby beba.
Until me enye me mo be brace wa san aba. Na baby akoto koko yi ni free no. Ashase na me aba da enye me ya bi because even though koto kona me nimse ogum be coach Samatex at some point in time.
All koto kono.
Yeah.
Na nimse ye den da bi be bo be kwa kofa Samatex.
And they can't, yeah, man for behind Tiasi, I know more than I'm so no crown, Samatex. No.
Yeah.
He was actually administering the project from an administrator's point of view. And you'll be an answer to Penasem or the Ugusu Penasem. What cost Samatex a real?
And I will be
boom, sure. Until that one, you know, Abelandi or Kumasi Airport, or must send them a picture. You know, you be there in that work or signing. Now be here to my come on, no, but. The American party, the substantive issue. Me pese meti oguma no asemansa.
No asem. And report na bob man na we ono na betimi a confirm nsem ni bi na.
Exactly.
Ya hu.
Tena me no ni o.
Me be there e ba we no so a shoot out no so a.
O mo tena se akomi agye na adwam den a. Eni abre no ho ye hwehwe bi me se. Nya ya da woni ni picture na ma wana je se. Ya to us free ho. Dawuni abedu ana e obubulebu ni birthday
o ma ye hu edwa
me da se pa me da se pi
o yima no akoko obubulebu birthday ba ye hu edwuma yi na anti ye hwe ti e benya ne mfonyi no ba mo wan chance ye ntimi an join we no
na say omunya nhase an
ti say e ba na say bi kra be o ye mre no that is the pon 55 e to ma ye be ko antom so abenu zi e ba 3 to 4 no shoot out no ya brena ya bomodin etimi ewrema na aboama ne makoyie
ena be kire dokra fans ne be da na didi a kire no ne nyoma ya betimi aye na aye kama because at this point in time my brother what they again do you lose but so they are preparing I'm prepare mo ti ehwe ne ebesi I mean enu ne hia me no kodoko must forge ahead didn't kodoko ntimi nko na nini na aye division ti mo hwe say mo betiti so na nsem ne bi o mo ka no oguma ba na players bi oton tebi na say na you mukani review you need
yo mami nti akomi akakramba na yehwe sere niam sitie na ya mfina bibi aboko de ala akomia otemenka David me ya komiante men kan we ya di bi o mere etoma mesin akona mama na ye we den
na naja mfino
ze ni din no na ka ho eno na ma na ye ya di mere se eye we ya nka me mana ma ya yi kakra we en chance ya na afi hu sere ne meziko menim ze da woni picture na ready ana ka mo me hwe kakra e hu time o baba be du ya no be ya ti na no be wie bibia na wasinsan bibia o china be poso
mpanyu zu bi za so mo hu oklo na aka ba ko
John Eduafo
ai
meza bibia boko de meza otemenka kamo amwame ore ye ma ya frɛ fo ne mra mu kakra da Baby or shell near Casa Cronti, but Yami are from the Mramukakra 91155 Nimpiji Munti, a baby Anna, that Bishop Najedem. Near Dean Command, my fair phone number 0551 9319 0551 9319 0548 9319 0548 9319 I'm almost fra. TV anawaluano, radio anawaluano, wa team wa. Memfa di odikawa. Odi ani baby out frefi.
Abu Dhabi.
Yes sir.
You self be make a separate tapo.
Ozi ango.
Kotoko supporters no na me show mo. You sometimes so to stadium more na omu panche me ya na bi nim head nim bo mu bebre. Nti asomu ma pressure bi a hu hia. So mo ntu obubo asema players no. Support support na say players nim kra mo mabobo. But o ko ya one e bi na obo nwa say obo fudi a obo adomo budi a. Na say wa o ko ya dey. And a players so me so mo coach no no mo kasa cross so me permission na adosu anything I like say ntimi anu be dia no e say timi protest ball ne kaka na say dia ke cross defender we good no no cross ba no e lie into so mo say cross so me mo nche no o mo nto mo boss this season me da say good
Mate ma mere se menya akomia ha na menene nto aso me za ultimenka
Abu Dhabi me ton kapa
Meza, Jumadi na shasi na enshasi. Enshasi aviera mukakra yenye nyamfonyi bi ane coach ababa bedu den. Ama ya twintwenje zo aza na Jumadi ni ntime shazi.
Yes, Abu Dhabi onzo kumasa sante kotoko Jumadi ba Kumasi a dintintimai pa na mu coach ni appoint o se be ye Juma. Also utimi ba na ma supporters be hunu in the power the more. Kwan a officer of faso a wotimi hihye team ne matim ne team be results and wotimi de jinkuru adi that thing da yeni ma ono ba be ne o ma be dwuma na enumu no na central for ahodo na be duru baba ya hanom ahase by 10:30 am na dodo na tina ba be piano ma na o hwe conference room na na bie ne kama ba na wo so mo ye ne o man kitin bi with o backdrop kakra said the bear club ni do se kotoko na abe nti eno hu dwuma no mudi ya ekobọ around be 11 no any hu se V8 menu alande V8 menu ni bedru yere na alunka udai lentra ba ku di akiri coach Prosper Ogum ene the personal assistant Asante Foku no moti ba ku no okulusu kan wo bi ana coach Kwesi Apia ene impenifo aka susu edi akiri a omoso ede ebedru hanom no mo ba ye no ana ombe fro staircase ni nimsan ko mo ba be sha ase anita na ombe man no munyi na besi ne ko share VIP ho na entia ye nya ne yete omu din komo kakra bi e wo VIP ho no ma hwe kon be fa so be ba eni nsema omo de ba be ka cha santeman eni nsentro fo aba be pie mu ha se se de be ya obi abetimi aten nsema be tuma na kuma etimi ato na kuma ne yem se kuma asante kotoko be sa ye bi nti omu hwe VIP ho no ma omo ka cha na omo sere nsentro fo nya so mo pa ye cho me mo mo mre kakra bi no mo nin komo so ti me ma ba ko mi bi out see na omuwia omuni ni baba beti komo na George Kennedy mu na ababesho legends no a legend abendi meni ehu ni si so do wa no ye we Kwesi Apia ono no ye part of the IMC George Kennedy ana me hu no ha si me hu chairman solo wa ha si me hu Ashanti regional acting chairman one is say name direction because some ato abako for yi sedu omuni na ne na ha si ni mu komo a omobo mo de se kuma Asante Kotoko beti ma form to afade twa etiabu na ne sa ene tiewa
Mate eno de konso na ginam na after no na ewia no matwe bi de aba na ye de ginam na nkofo so ahu de coach e bo modern etimi eye yewe ni ade a edi na coach Jezi also coach when
coach Osevivia o one coach one IMC coach Kwesi Apia e wo ho George Kennedy so wo Asante Foku ni personal assistant o nyina ho ti omo ne mpanimfo ametima aka so makwa kwosho no mo di nkomo kakra
Mate why do the bibia ye be san ba why
Mate
all right ti eno ye akomia no ma akramo Brian be fa ba komi bia na ya page mu ne akọ odian ni baby afrefi
Abu Dhabi
yes sir about jina yere en kasa odian ni baby afrefi
Bajane ke fami apa me kase fi conditions wa me fi
ajo mi ti o Oh, Dabi, fee. So me for boy. Odi ani baby Alfrefi.
Akuna sira.
Kwe yanko.
Kakra me kan say, you know say half in so. So new rules no mo ban supporters. You need June. So kakra say the contract is soon ye. O kono oba half yen DDP. Obi e no tna say mutual ye committee appointment. Yen ja obi. Debi. Yen supporters no. Ye to go again. Okay, Kumila, obi mo to go. It's good one ye pay. It's normal. But when I come out there, my sister they get papa. No one know what kind of town for bar. And no one ever call about to say nothing. This is my mention of Sapana. I've been put that in share. But this is you. That's a cosmetic. Mr. Amanda. The government now send power. It's here.
Mate, me da se udi ani baby Alfrefi.
Mr. Permission to see it ready.
Why was there, bro? The
permission to see it ready.
Baba Jomi Joe.
What you looking at the cooking number now?
Mate, we are at and Kawai. Okay, me da se. Udi ani baby Alfrefi.
Kalacha, Abu Dhabi.
Yes, sir.
Nemo akela pae.
Mejozo.
I call crossman in them get a venture so.
Kwa we go.
A kalacha memo abaso na get a good so boy. Next year 2025 president. You try to I'm a caliber. I'm a caliber. Question boss woman. A kalacha is a quasi to go more into you. I am Pentua or my son or more boys of the best in the Bocoswa. A Kitapa and Association come up. Yes, I'm camping for a telebeya. Kono komiti ya sasa na national day kama ntaleta mbasi baba.
Mate Renzo Meda so di ani baby Alfrefi.
Nikasafi yiji, yefemi Sergio.
Sergio mi dio.
But so the better can say house for no, in page for no. Mama was out to say coach be a better coach be any or two Kofi Yesu. And to coach na mo would probably yeah supporters ya ninja ho. They strong most of move for coach William Bray. That few years Bishop the channel offer me the number in any permit in Kumobi. That's it.
Mate, Menso Meda, so dear any baby Alfrefi.
International Abu
Yes, sir.
I want you to tell them what
Memoya now.
Assembly. And the Maya and up in Power Taxes, say what tomorrow they get over and do. I'm more than ever get on about the pan. I'm in Cherry, I said the game cancer. I don't put them as I'm going to tell you about the vice president that I like in my mother. Now, I come and say, I don't pay to Yakuya tomorrow. American protocol, a opinion to a year for yes, some kind of Yamaku and Tokosino. Then you gave and Kabuma, Apple, Cinema, our Yakom, the most supported by Ogun and some kind of get to support the Yanko Mochi.
Mate, Menso Meda, and all the Odiani baby Alfrefi. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, Aldini baby Alfrefi.
Me what I said I say because I free ultimately.
Hey, me too.
Abu Meda Sepani would you media would the bois Ghana football. I'm a say Kotoko supporters in say Mumi in Yenya Bako. Okay, we back way Bunemu Kabuma, Ibun 18C between a boom. We say and penny for so many when you want to be in from no Minanya Bako, supporters, yes, in your Bako. Yet, Yaka, who are Buma supported him with Tina and Koso. Medase.
Mate, Menso Medase, Udiani baby Alfrefi.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir.
Hello, good morning.
Yes, sir, good morning, Udini baby Alfrefi.
I feel you wanted to be something, Professor and entity.
Baba Jomi Joe.
My second last one is you move by over my you are my mentor at top of this time. So I can remember why this one is not yourself.
Mate, Medase Alonso, the Udiani baby Alfrefi. Baba Jomi Joe.
Sompa Sports.
Because I'm own but you watch it, and it's a person of about and look at that. Because I catch it, I mean, don't doesn't go in life, Jana, and can be following Nanka, it can be still to
Mate, why? Obeti ho aseme ye na ye de mosia na afi di akibia to aso ye beba free to 4 na shoot